a true born Igbo man. I grew up as a hustler, struggle as an Igbo man, to survive as an Igbo man. I got dreams as an Igbo man, become a big businessman. Now I've come so far, I'm now a car manufacturer. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. And so I travel as an Igbo man to escape from Nigeria. Walk the desert, cross oceans far away from fatherland. From Europe to America, Asia to Antarctica. Anywhere in Africa, you could find an Igbo man. North Pole Igbo man, South Pole Igbo man. No matter where you look, there must always be an Igbo man. And if you don't find an Igbo man, then you better have another plan. Cause where there is prosperity, you must always find an Igbo man. Just stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. In South Africa, Mandela, we cried to Ramaphosa. We're facing xenophobia, this is no hysteria. It's happening in Ghana, land of Kwame Nkrumah. Resented, hated, that's been the life of an Igbo man. Rejected in Nigeria, brutalized in Nigeria, suffered in Nigeria. That's been the life of the Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, we must survive as the Igbo man. I fight as an Igbo man. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sights. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Born as an Igbo man, struggle as an Igbo man, suffered as an Igbo man, will make it as an Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, must survive as the Igbo man. Igbo man, you are strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, my fellow Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Igbo man, keep your head up, stand tall. Through the struggle we gon' rise. Igbo man.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. I greet all of you on the comments. You are welcome, Please make sure you like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. We are here to do the needful, to go through some of the things that matter to us, but I'm going to concentrate more, if not only, on the video of Mazi, which he did yesterday. And I will encourage you to make sure you share this video and give it a thumbs up. so that the owner of the platform may push it for other people to watch it. We are just 5 minutes of the program, and I don't want to waste much time so that we can finish what we are here to do. And I want to register that this live program is not an attack on BLA. Okay, this is not about attacking BLA or anything, which I have avoided that since day one, and I know why I don't want to talk about BLA. I said it openly that I don't want to talk about it, I don't want to get involved. But not when Mazi Akwa is involved. No. Not when Mazi Akwa Master is involved, not at all. Because when you see the title, Mazi Akwa cannot help you. Okay, Aquaman cannot help you. It's not about BLM. And those of you that will be on comments, I don't want you to start commenting, attacking BLA, gentle the Yahudis and that. I don't do it here. And maybe I may not even drop mic, because I don't want people to come here and begin to talk about, oh, Maza, BLA, this BLA, that. We all know what happened. We all know the problem. And we are not here because of BLA. Because these are grown-up people. They are mature. They know what they want. I'm not here to teach them or talk to them like children. The only thing I'm concerned about is lies and pretense of that Mazi Akwa is now the God's, saving help or something like that. So please just bear with me while we go through everything. And I would like you to make sure you like the video. Please do like the video. Like I always tell you, it's not gonna cost you anything at all. So before then, let's quickly go to the comment section and see what people are saying before we even start the program. I think that will be the next thing to do. I think it's not going to be bad if we do that. Although we have just few comments here, very, very few. This is 7 minutes of the program, and we are just new to this live broadcast. Michael is here. He said, "Good afternoon, brother." Good afternoon to you, Michael. And we have our brother, Water Bright. Water Bright, I greet you. I greet you. I greet you. And we have again, just, I think that is it's not a name. This is an email. He said, "Good afternoon, Mazi Report." Good afternoon to you. We have okay, the same person again. God bless you and your family. He said, and yours too. All must help Biafra, he said, the same person. And the same person again, me and my family will stand with the USBG. There we go. And again, you said, I will watch later. I will watch this later, this program, because I'm about to resume work. Hey, yeah, Ganiru, my brother, may God be with you at your work. We have, what is your name? Buying, please. This one I can. It appears again. Is an email again because OBAINOTE. So please, I cannot. I don't know the name. He said Oyara is Mazi Akwa. Told us Oyara is Mazi Akwa. Told us he is helping us before. You that told us we are in Biafra already, and how you go wipe Nigeria away has done what? Okay. Oyara is Mazi Akwa told us he is helping us before. Okay, and your name. The unfortunate thing here is that I don't know your name. Maybe you are the Mazi Akwa himself, but even in as much as I said that I'm not going to put a link. If you think you have more things to say than to waste your time typing on comments, just tell me to drop mic for you. I will drop mic even at this beginning, at this early stage. I will give you a mic. We don't mind to do that and to come back to the program. If you can change our program, it's possible. If you have a very objective question, to engage us, I would like to have you to pour out your mind. Well, you are not my enemy. We are here to learn. Maybe you have something to throw me off balance. You are highly, highly welcome. The chair is actually here. So you can sit down and do just that. Please, he said, please, as you join, please hit the like button. Thank you so much. And this Anopama said again, okay, you are repeating the same thing over and over again. You see, on the fallback. Ada tomato easy. I understand. Man, you know that is not easy because as you hit your head on something, you hardly recover. You know, you had it just a moment. All right, we are back, and this guy is still typing, the same word, please, you have to stop posting one thing, otherwise I will block you. I'm not against you or what you want to say, but do not keep on posting one thing. Don't spam my program, please. It's not gonna be allowed, so don't do that again. If you say something, 1 and 2 is okay. Don't post and post. If you do it again, I'll kick you off. So here we have Lucky said, "Good afternoon, Mazakai. Greetings from Germany. Good afternoon to you." The Mazakai, you forget me. I did not forget you. Your name is confusing. You know, thousands of people comment here. He said, "Okay, okay. Our Chinese wife, I see you. Our Chinese wife, my sister. Sorry about that. You know, yeah. I recall now. God bless you. God bless you, USBG. And I did not. I remember you. I remember you now. Yes, I remember you now. I remember you. Thank you so much for reminding me, Franklin Nwobodo. I greet you. God bless our DPM. And is it, how did I even pronounce your name that day? Is it Jesse or Jesso? Please, did I get it? Yeah, banana Chinese. Mazekai, God bless you and your family. USB, we move. They were lucky. Lucky Jude. Okay, my sister, I see you. Jesse. Okay. All right. So, Akwa did a program yesterday. I want to scan them because we're not going to waste much time. Tochuku, I see you.
With myself and my deputy to update Biafrans on some important issues. But unfortunately, she couldn't make it today. And she sent a message. I will play the message that Mama Biafra sent. Our own, I don't know who, herself. I will send you the message. I will play it here. But after then,
please,
I have
share this video.
A very important message from the CDS himself, the Commander General of Biafrans, and Gentle Yahoo. That's a very important message they sent in. We are going to post it across online. But before then, I will play it here tonight so that Biafrans will know what is going on and what you need to do, because we must keep our land safe. We must keep Biafra land safe and secure. And the gallant men are doing the needful, but it is left for us to know that our efforts will keep them much more effective. The effort we make will keep them much more effective. And we must not be pouring water into baskets. Many Biafrans have been pouring water into baskets. And I don't know how you expect the CDS and the angels to keep Biafra land safe while we continue to pour the water into baskets. They have provided for us buckets buckets without holes, where we must be pouring the water they need to water Biafra land. But up till today, many Biafrans are still pouring water into baskets. I am speaking in parables, and those that understand must understand. I am going to be letting the cat out of the bag tonight because there's a very important message from the CDS himself and gentle Igwe Gidigbam Gidigbam. Very important. So, but before then, Mama Biafra sent a message, and I need to play the message she sent, to let Biafrans know that she couldn't make it tonight. But her heart and soul remains with us tonight because she really meant to come out with us tonight. I see Ifeanyi, you're watching. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. So let me bring you a very concerned message from Mama Biafra. I don't know. So please, let's listen to her.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, great and wonderful Biafrans.
Honestly, I am not interested in this part. I'm sorry, I'm not interested in this part. She's not feeling well. I wish I had quick recovery, but let's go straight to the program.
When next to do what we need to do, but we must continue. Has been beat.
France, you heard that from our own mommy, and you know how agile and how strong our mommy usually is. So if she's not able to come out tonight, you understand that it is something that is beyond her control. We understand Mama Biafra, and we pray that you'll be stronger and more fortified to, keep working for Biafra and for our freedom. And there's something that you always say, which is always online, that you are much more concerned about Biafra. And that Biafra is what you are, much interested in. Not Biafrans, but Biafra. Because if you are concerned about Biafrans, you will be distracted. But when you're concerned about Biafra, then your focus is on the rising sun. Thank you, Mama Biafra. May the Almighty Chukwuka keep you strong. All right. Going up from there, please, Biafrans, I want us to know that the message I'm about to play now, everybody needs to hear this. Everybody needs to share this program, share it far and wide, share it to those that think they are fighting for freedom, but meanwhile, they are pouring water into baskets. Those that we have told times without number that for you to, do the needful, you need to come out from these criminals that are compromised. Leave them alone. Those compromised people, leave them alone. Come in and pour water into the buckets that CDS and Igwe Gidigbam have provided for you. Yes. Please, Biafrans, this is very, very important because Allah Biafra, thank God now we are getting to hear good news from America concerning Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are getting to hear good news from our PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Positive things are about to happen, but in the homeland, which is of more importance to us, we must not make mistakes. We must not allow compromised individuals to be having their way as far as the defense of our land is concerned. We must not allow stomach infrastructure criminals to beguile us, deceive us, exploit us, rob us, and expose our land to vandals. We must not allow it. And that's why this is a very familiar voice, almost the same message they have repeated times and times again. I don't know what you think you can do without these our angels. I don't know what you think you can do without these our angels. Believe me, you cannot do anything without these angels. As far as our land is concerned, God, who has kept these angels alive, protected and preserved them, even though there were saboteurs left, right, and center, they were still preserved. We must not leave them to be fighting to protect themselves and defend themselves. We must equip and overwhelm them with our support so that they will have the bold lion hearts to ward off the enemies of Biafra land, so that they will come all out and protect and guide our land. Very, very important. So the names I will be mentioning, familiar names. Some of you have become so gullible that no matter how these men have told you, we no longer work with these people, you will still continue to pour water into their God-forsaken baskets.
All right, welcome back again. So now I want to jump in. The man you are hearing his voice is Mazi Akwa. And I love the part where I paused it now. What he said, let us move back a little bit. All this thing he's saying now is something that we used to hear. It is not new. We are here when BLA came up, decided to say they are no longer working with, they don't want to work with USB under her leadership, DPM, August of Revelation. That the best thing they want now is to work with Oginkere. Now, that is just part of it. That is just part of it. Then, before that time, there was a time that even we go to 247 sworn that the money that US government were giving them money, he told Gentle to swear. If you remember, you remember that video that Gentle removed his slippers. Then later, everything began to go somehow. Do we need to go deeper? Because I am trying to avoid some certain things, but I will center my reaction to this video on the man that made the video, not on the people that said, not on the people that send voice note and all that, because I don't need to, because of the circumstances that surround whatever that is going on, because I am not an insider. I can only present the one inside. Most of the thing about them is something that has to do off camera, not online. So because I belong online, I don't want to go on issue that is offline. Okay? So we saw what they are doing. We understand that Mazi Akwa from day one has been part and parcel of those who deceived a lot of people. So many people. Let me remind you that after the declaration of Biafra, this man, according to his own video, contacted Success Weke to Oginkere. That is how Oginkere has contact to people that know the men on ground. And Oginkere begin to communicate them, begin to deceive them with the help of this man you are seeing now. Without him, Oginkere wouldn't have done that. Without his involvement, Oginkere wouldn't have done that. That's number one. Then the Success Weke that this guy started the link up with, he's now with Oginkere, whereas he himself is no longer with Oginkere. This is how they destabilize the men on ground, destabilize them financially. Even though I personally believe that the men on ground may not be or are not 100% loyal to PM Samanekpa, because if they are, they wouldn't have this kind of vacuum that somebody will now occupy and begin to say this and say that, and they will be buying into that idea. Am I saying no? Am I saying that people should not contribute to them? No. Am I saying you should contribute? It's up to you. I cannot begin to tell you what to do. It's up to you. It's entirely a business. But what I don't like is somebody like this guy coming out, begin to attack other people of something that he himself originated. You can't talk about this confusion in the camp of the PLA, confusion everywhere, without mentioning this very guy. So now he's pointing finger at other people. But who actually started this chaos? He's one of them. Far back that we are hearing today originated from Oginkere, this guy and Imam Madab, before other people that you are seeing today. When he told you that there was a plan A and plan B, who designed those plans and who formulated members of those plans? Who created it? Who put that division? Now we are hearing unity. Am I against unity? Not at all. Unity is the best thing ever. But before we talk about unity, you must do something. Just like somebody who fall inside the pit, like toilet pit or pit toilet. Some people call that. You fall inside pit, toilet pit, and your body is all over. Poo is all over your body. Poo is all over your body. Before we talk about people should hug their neighbor, hug your friend, you have to go and take a shower. You have to fresh up. And how will you fresh up? You have to go and get yourself water and a very nice soap with cream, somehow with perfume, and change clothes. Before we now say neighbors should start hugging their neighbor. We should start hugging ourselves. You must understand this very, very well. Because there's no way you will allow poo all over your body and you are complaining that why are they not hugging me? Am I not your neighbor? Let us hug, let us handshake. You have to fresh up. And in this case, what do I mean by freshen up? You have to leave your old way. And in some cases, you just have to, tender apology. Have to tender apology. Even if you are so proud of yourself, there's so many ways to do that. Eggman knows how to do it best. Because when you attacked PM before, did he even apologize? The answer is no, he didn't. But he just surfaced on a live program. People cracked up and laughed. Oh, we are Mazi. Yeah, oh, we're happy to have you. Welcome back. Welcome back. He said that old soldier, that's the way he put it, that something like old soldier never die, or once a soldier is always a soldier. Something like that. And people realize that is end. Do you understand? But his presence there says a lot. His presence there says a lot. So you cannot come here, and even in as much as people are saying in his platform, peace. This guy is still calling people, that DPM is killing people. What kind of peace are you looking? By escalating the issue. By keep on repeating that which provoked, stuff that you know that is provocative. You are still repeating it over and over and again. So if what you are saying is even true, what did people you are following or believe did about it, especially about men on ground, which our PM established. I don't quite understand what you are saying, to be honest with you. I don't know you have changed your name just now. From nonsense one to Nandi Tempoko to Tempoka, whatever. You are still, can you use your real name for once in your lifetime? Even your picture look like AI. Can you be real for once? Let me know if I'm talking to machine language or human being. Your write-up is totally messed up. I don't understand what you're saying. If what you are saying is even true, so at your age you cannot identify truth and lie, then why are you trying to argue with me when you can't even identify simple thing that is on social media? What did I say here that is a lie? That the man joined the plan A and plan B, or that he's still accusing DPM, accusing everybody of something that's not even verifiable. I have told them, why is it that people that own platform are constantly telling you that another person is killing people in Biafra land, but they cannot present any substantial fact that truly this is what they have committed? Why is it so difficult for them to prove beyond every reasonable doubt that truly DPM Dr. have carried out, this kind of a crime in Biafra land? Prove it now. The same thing they used to tell PM, and these guys claim that they are backing PM, that's support of PM. The same thing that the enemies of PM used to say about PM is exactly what they're using now to say about our president. And tomorrow you say unity, unity. And for you to see how gullible and senseless some people can be, you know that you have a platform, you have followers. You know that DPM, whether you like it or not, have a very huge followers, very huge one. You have done the comparison through fundraising and through, her posts. Go and see reaction, go and see people running around her, meaning that she controls majority of Biafrans. Genuinely loved by Biafrans. And you know this for a fact. Then why is it so difficult for you to acknowledge? Why are you still fumbling, thinking that you know better than everybody? The question I have for you, when you say unity, you are talking about people that love her genuinely. So if you want them to be on your side, you must not attack that person they love. It's either you explain, you have to convince them that person they are following is not supposed to be followed. That's number one. You have to make a very good choice of what you actually want. You get the point? So let's not thank you so much. A season of that's Namo the Lucky Palace. I see you, my brother. Or great job for our own brother. Guy said, if he comment nonsense again, I will time him out. Yes, you have every right to do that. Every right. You have every right to, even if you want to block him, it's up to you, my brother. For me to give you spanner means that I trust whatever your judgment. You know what I mean? So I cannot here to question you. If I don't want you to block, I will beg you, please don't block. So you have a spanner means that you have every right to do that. We told them, that's our own brother Ekwem Justin. We told them that DPM will destroy them with truth. They said that they thought we are joking. What is happening today? The criminal are oh God, okay, my brother, I hear you. And let's continue. I'm not here to attack BLA. That's why I don't want to talk about. I don't want to say much about them. But this very guy, why I say he cannot help them is because you have to be somebody that people genuinely loved. Okay, you have to be transparent. You don't have anybody that have questionable character cannot respond. Do you understand what I mean? You have to be people's like man of people before you now source of fund. Because one, nobody trusts you. Two, nobody like you because you are constituting nuisance. How can you now raise money for men on ground? How? With that kind of belief that people have on you, and you are not helping matter. Even in the midst of them to unite together, you are still, throwing words left and right. It doesn't work that way. Why you are who will now fund that kind of thing? Who will fund them through you? Listen, I'm not saying you should not fund support BLA. It's your choice, like I said. I'm not saying, oh, don't support them. No. I'm not saying, oh, don't donate to them. No. I'm not saying donate. I don't want to talk about it. It is up to you. All right? But what I'm saying is that Mazi Akwa, for you to genuinely, or BLA, having their trust on you, is, to me, it simply means they don't know who you are. How can anybody that have money will not donate because of you? Because of you. Because you have messed up and you are still messing up. You have not even admit. You have to admit that this is what you are. This is what you are doing, and this is who you are. You have not admitted that. You have not admitted that. People expect you to apologize and stop this nonsense you are doing. Hear him rather say her.
But these angels have told you, we don't work with these people. If you want us to do well, as much as you can, avoid them. Come through the right channel and pour water into the bucket we provided, not into the baskets. Those people.
All of a sudden, the angel is saying that you should leave them, avoid them, come through the channel which we provided. Really. And you actually believe that people will just, sheepishly buy into that kind of thing. What is the right channel? You that created this chaos is not the right channel. It's just like somebody saying, come to the Lord through Lucifer. Come to the Lord. Come to Jesus through Lucifer. Just imagine that. Oh, you are going to go to you will be in the bosom of the Lord through hellfire.
People have deceived you with photoshops and lies left, right, and center. Now, let me bring you. I might have to even play this voice over and over again because it is short. They are short. From the two most formidable angels in Biafra land. The two most.
And for you to see how senseless this guy can be, you want to convince people that you are the right channel. You started by reminding them that these people that you want to raise money have already disowned and distanced himself from DPM. A lady that you know that people love so much than you, that they listen to her than you. Is comparing you with her is actually an insult to her but I have to do it because of this program for people to understand. So BLA should know that your attitude, do you know that even if let me say this, if people want to listen, people want to comment, donate money to BLA, okay, maybe through anonymous, maybe their normal account, just like direct to them. If people want to donate money to them genuinely, and they find out that BLA commanders are in contact with Mazi Akwa, some people will heed their money. We refuse, we stop donating. Just for them to have a contact with Mazi Akwa can cause people not to donate even at all. So imagine giving him now the mandate to go and source for money for us. Somebody that is capable of depriving people from donating is the person you are calling to go and source for money for you. How does it make sense to you? Like I said, let me just believe that they don't know who he is and how people see him. The man is not helping any matter. Once you open his mouth, he keep on creating division. Why talking for unity? For you to say unity, you have to endure and forget many things. People are trying to unite and pushing for unity, hoping that one day it will happen. You are constantly using your platform and organizing other people, painting them bad, yet you are looking for unity. What kind of unity is that? Who will not believe that your unity? It is as difficult as anything hard. Hear him.
Formidable angels in Biafra land. So, let's go there.
The game is over. The game of Hogan Kerry and Dengozora Beza has been over for a long time, sir. They have betrayed us.
Okay, I am coming to what he said, but I love what this our brother put here. Does Van Van Vam still exist? He's asking a question. Just like what I told you, people don't even count his presence. People don't even count it. Do you know that? Let me not go there because I don't want to get involved. But the truth of the matter is that another person can source for money for them. It may be better than this guy. It may be better than Mazi Akwa. Because Mazi Akwa is just like Lazuba. Pollution everywhere. Pure pollution. Polluting anywhere they come, anywhere they enter. They will scatter it. Watching hey, watching anybody talking about watching like anytime, every sentence watching anybody that you see that makes sentence and end with watching my brother, my sister, I can't put the best the bluebell. Hey, yo now. Oh, I can't also not there. I'm telling you, there's nothing goes on. There's no smoke without fire. Each time I remember how this guy started and how they scatter things, I feel so discouraged and so bad. But look at him today. Now it's BLA. Okay, let's hear what Gentle said here, which is another error, to be honest with you. Another error because he says something that is not adding up. That the word game over. Nanda game over. I don't think he should have said that. But let's hear him.
The two most formidable angels in Biafra land. So let's go there.
Your daughter, Emma, the game is over. The game of Ogen Kera and Dengozora Beza has been over for a long time, self. They have betrayed us now. They have betrayed us. Hey, betray go. Because I went to Deki Goyaju. I'm more feeling and they're like my fools. One of them how investment Omega US. Otosh we go kwa sholo. Ya chokoro ulo ndị ango koshela US. Echile konye gas ya. So we are there making money for him now. I'm here today, mommy. Don't worry. We know the whole stories. Emma, Oluwagalaga live Labaguma. I try not be small. No.
And Morgan Kid now, Morgan Kid Mango got a better, and I'm Hanan. So, no one I want the most in Diana and I took us Robin, I'm on dog. So, no, quiet, Alana. That's what I know about more because of Mazana. Kamali Kunkum, Kamala gave me her because when you could enter to buy you. You also know I go by one. Jan and Melon Country, because how many months? It's getting to how many months now. So I'm going to have a care only came by how many years. So I'm going all the bomb in the Coca Hamaka. I had a power.
Franco Coyendeo, I greet you.
Unless on their own. Because I'm going to get it, and I'm going to shop like to go and educate on Haka. Unless on the hammer Pesura group of Haka. So I let destroy his in KPM. The destroys in Canada, Carlo Mexican, and Kahalism Maware.
Did you hear that? I will repeat it again.
Your daughter, Emma, the game is over. The game of Ogen Kera and Dengozora Beza has been over for a long time, self. They have betrayed us now. They have betrayed us. Hey, betray go. Because I went to Deki Goyaju. I'm more feeling and they're like my fools. One of them how investment Omega US. Otosh we go kwa sholo. Ya chokoro ulo ndị ango koshela US. Echile konye gas ya. So we are there making money for him now. I'm here today, mommy. Don't worry. We know the whole stories. Emma, Oluwagalaga live Labaguma. I try not be small. No.
And Morgan Kid now, Morgan Kid Mango got a better, and I'm Hanan. So no one I want the most in Diana and I took us Robin, I'm on dog. So no quiet, Alana. That's what I know about more because of Mazana. Kamali Kunkum, Kamala.
Oh, no, no, so soon. No, so Sanua. Bunde ya to Quasirobi now. Matinda or aha. enweghị nke ha na-agbara onwe ha sọsọ unu nwa ndị atụkwasịrị obi na. We've told you millions and millions of times. You know, there are people that will always come to tell you, this one, hey, Mama Biafra is trying to deceive people. They will exploit you. They want to use money for everything. Biafrans, the ball is in your courts. The ball is in your courts. I will start it again. Okay, CDS himself. Gaga no Guna Biafra land. Igwe himself. I repeat again from Gidigam, gentle.
Your daughter, Emma, the game is over. The game of Ogenkere and Ngozora Beza has been over for a long time, self. They have betrayed us now. They have betrayed us. Hey, betray go. Because I went to deck Ikonya. I'm more feeling and they're like my fools. One of how investment Omega US. Otoshi we go kwasholo. Ya chokoro lo ndị ango kwashila US. Echile konye gazuru yomu. So we are there making money for him now. I'm here today, Mama. Don't worry. We know the whole stories. Emma, Oluwagalaga Livulabaguma. But try not be small. No.
CDS himself.
So no one award the most na na to kwasoro bi na
Mendoza.
So no kwai na na. Na so shano wa kwa mo kwasoro Mazi na. Kangari kunkem kamara gare mi ho. Okay, because on you could not enter to Palayo. So no ajo by one. Okay, get an American fundraising.
No, there are many fundraising. Okay, get out there many fundraising.
So I'm going to basic here only came by how many years?
Because our basic came by how many years?
Oh, the Bama in Hamanapa.
Okay, I want you to note something here. I'm gonna play it. I will allow them to. I would like him to play more, but I want you to notice something here. He said that Ngosora Beze no get them for fundraising, and he said again that Ogenkere I want to go for no on the na father people kwa na naketa and was there game something like that. Then after saying that, you now hear you would expect Mazi Akwa to deliberate on the two of them, like Ogenkere and Ngozi. What did he do? He centered and focused on one thing, on CS. Do you understand? He focused on that. Ngozi. He started playing some audio and all that. Why? Because no, from since day one, hatred over Ngozi has nothing to do with the Biafra. It has nothing to do with the BLA. It has nothing to do with between you and me, anybody. But he wants you and BLA, everybody, to join him to hate Ngozi. That's all. And when he's not getting that, he started feeling uncomfortable about the whole thing. So he still pushing. He can lie with anything at all to make sure that he buy more haters for DPM. But the question is, these questions that we are asking, can you genuinely answer it? Can you just answer it? He will not. He will not. And you don't expect him to answer it though, because he don't have any reason to do what he's doing. But he has to do it anyway. After all, as long as I push hate on us, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Now, one of the voice that he played said Nanking goes on about himself. No, can't be him. Can't be how many years? Or say no, can't be how many years you going to give up. The question you should ask him now is, okay, how many years? When did they even declare Biafra? That you are not counting on how many years? The word that how many years goes to show that these are fabricated, just lies to attract what I don't know. But your common sense will tell you what they're trying to do. And Mazi Akwa amplify that. Okay, no, how many years? Please, how many years are we now after declaration? How many years? Because when they say how many years, they call 9 years or 10 years, since 10 years now. Is it not just a couple of months now that he released one of the audio that scattered everything? That audio he did comparison between Madam Azok and DPM. You know the audio I'm talking about. That audio scattered a lot of things. And I would, because I don't hate anybody. I don't hate BLA. I don't hate them because of what people are saying and all that. My own is, if I am convinced that they have committed this crime that people are saying, then I will wash off. I will tell you no, because I don't support anybody committing crime. That you are looking for Biafra does not warrant you to start buying anybody or act or steal something or commit any crime. No. So as an outsider, I have not seen anything to justify that. That's why I have to maintain my stand. But if you are committing any crime because you are a commander, you are BLA, my hand no deal. I don't support you. I'm not involved at all. Like you let us spy people so that we say it's their flan. If you like some people are saying, if you do that, you are 100% wrong. And you are not only committing crime, you are committing crime not only on you, but against humanity. The thing, even that crime is between man and God, because people will end up buying innocent people for that singular act of yours. Government is not WhatsApp group where you can be admin today, tomorrow you are no longer admin. There are process, there is process and template to follow for you to become a government. There's something that is expected of you. You need to build the platform, the template must be there. You have to maintain it steadily. Otherwise, people will see you as a just mere group. And if you are involved, you need to understand that you are in the government. There are processes to that. They are talking about what my candidate said. Peace, peace, peace. We all campaign and in love with that. We campaign for peace. We are in love with that. But the truth of the matter remains that in as much as you are sourcing for peace, you have to dress like you truly want peace. If, for example, now this is my brother here, Armstrong, who happened to be OG, one of, you understand, who understand it very, very well. What I mean by understanding, he knows the truth when he see one. This is a brother I saying Armstrong. Very, very diligent human being. If I come here and I said, let's assume that I have a problem with him, personal problem with him, and I begin to tell you that Armstrong is this, so he's that, deep down my mind, I know that it's not true, but I want to buy you to support me against this our brother, Armstrong. Then on doing that, I may have convinced some people, gullible one will follow me instead to attack him for no just reason, or maybe they have their own personal hate on him, which is okay, is allowed. There's no way everybody will like you. It's not possible. Even Jesus Christ don't have it. But choose, I salute you, sir. Greetings to you. So if the moment I do that, what it means is this: I am not promoting some welfare of everybody. I present my personal problem as if it's a national problem. Like everybody must key in for that, my problem. Something that is between me and you, but I have escalated it and make it look like, oh, it's a global issue. Then again, all of a sudden I started preaching for peace. Oh, we need peace. Yeah, we need peace. But you see, I'm strong. He's there for himself. My brother, you're not devil. I'm just saying, I'm just giving an example. You know, you see him now, he's this. But at the same time, I'm preaching for peace. What kind of peace is that? That I cannot even make directly from this one, this person that I know already, that everybody knows that I am not in love with him. I'm not happy with him. You know what I mean? So that is what I want you to understand. You cannot on your camera and your mic, my brother, and begin to tell people that don't go sort of full and once you praise that in this era, I swear down, you are planting enmity, not love. No matter your listen. No matter your so-called differences and hate on her, if you actually want to buy into this your thing, it is very simple but difficult for you. It's simple in the sense that you have to do one or two things, which is prove beyond every reasonable doubt that DPM is committing that crime that you are preaching. Convince people with the facts and figure, not propaganda. Not if you like a run program from every hour, like once is 12 a.m. you come online and run a program. Once is 58 minutes, you stop to head into 60 minutes. That makes 1 hour. You stop and schedule another program. And all your program is DPM. If you like run a program like that for 9 good months or 1 year, the more you run it, the more you are pushing people away from you. Why? Because you are unable to provide facts and figure. We go to person who came up and said he's gonna go do a program that will expose DPM beyond everything, and after that people run away. People waited. He couldn't provide any substantial facts to bury that argument. Then what happened? You know the answer. Then why is such in her own time? That she has a very powerful audio that if she played today, personally I was somehow shivering. And who knows what this one have in stock. When the time comes, is it always on Mazi, always on don't finish. Mazi always on don't finish. Please, somebody super chat. I forgot to send my greets to him. That is Emeka Justin. Emeka Justin. Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. God bless you for your super chat. I really appreciate it. Okay, may God reward you and bless you and your family and grant you your heart desire, your wish that are not evil must come to pass. Thank you so much. And the goddess, I see you. You in the house, I see you. And we have so many people here on the comments. Please, if I did not mention them, don't feel bad. Don't leave also. This abroad, I'm struggling to pronounce. I'm trying to figure out your name. The Odori Megano. I don't know. Is that your name? Please. Is it Theodorin? I don't. Please. Maybe I don't know how you pronounce it. Everything is in one word. I'm trying to figure out what exactly is your name. I just want to say my greet to you and Sonny. I greet you, Ben Chooks. I greet all of you. Peter Frank. And we have Naji. Najitina, I see you. Najitina. Greeting. Shame on all of them for thinking that they can play mind game with us. Let them come and collect the money from us now. Oh my goodness. So the thing, I actually have a kind of advice for those our brothers that are sending voice note to them. James Ugoke, I greet you, James Ugoke. Easy way is in the house. All of you, I appreciate your time, your support, and may God bless all of you. Please don't forget to like the video, very, very important. And of course, share it to many platforms of your choice. One thing we need to understand is that a time like this will come when people will, push their own agenda as if it's a national problem. But the ability to separate it is what all of us require. You actually need it in you to know when kind report is pushing an agenda against someone that he hates, okay, and making it look like the person is a hater of Biafra movement or freedom of your freedom. Always separate these two. They are not the same. They are not, and they cannot be the same. James Ugoke, greetings. He said, gentle the Yahoo again. Bishop Onaga is in the house. I see you, Bishop. Bishop Onaga said, I am a citizen of United States of Biafra, USB, led by Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, redeclared 29th November 2024 in Latin, Finland. Nigeria must go. My identity. Nigeria must go. My identity. My identity. Is it Bia? This is not spelling of Biafra. I think you want to say Biafra is my religion, something like that. Anyway, I kind of understand what you're trying to say. Ndeo, I agree to you. All right, so let's go back to the program.
si mekwe ka unu mana ka unu dị aware enweghị ihe ọbụla si Ngozi Orabeje n'eru ha aka enweghị ozi n'oge nkere na-eru ha aka except menwere ndị ọzọ unu na-anụ ya unu na-anụ ya I really did not want to elaborate on this, but look, Biafrans, you people should give glory to Chukwu Kabiama that na nda akadendo, because nda na-akpa ha ya chọrọ ndị abụọ ọnwụ, Ngozi chọrọ ha ọnwụ, oge nkere chọrọ ha ọnwụ. Whether you like it or not, that's the truth. Ngozi have tried everything she can to eliminate Igwe Butuzo. Wait, maybe you have forgotten. Let me play the old voice of Ngozi Orabeje.
Now, did you hear what he said here? That Ngozi has tried everything in her power. Then now he want to play old voice of Ngozi. Do you understand? Yet, unity, peace. Equal. But look at it now. Look at it. This peace they're talking about is when you agree to their criminality. That's all. If you can agree to my, my criminality, then you are for peace. In fact, you are peaceful.
Yes, I will play it back. If in case people have forgotten. When Ngozi was saying, I kept Butuzo. You remember? Now, the other one, now they collect money from Biafrans. But this money is not going anywhere. Haji Azukosulo, Anu Hotel. Azukosulo, Anu Hotel.
Any sensible human being would expect that this guy by now will be trying to retract some of his steps by making some amendments for him to be accommodated, for things to be, normalized. But look at him now. So when you say, so what I'm saying now is that DPM is building hotel. If you can watching yeah, you can bet with my 10 fingers and my 10 toes. As always, now, what is the truth in what I'm saying now? You have a platform. Bring that hotel, the picture. You can send someone to go and interview workers in that hotel. My brother, how are you? I am from social media. Please, what are you? Who are you? What are you doing here? You are building house here. Who is the foreman? Who is the owner of this house? Can you confirm to us? Do it and publish it. That's what we mean by evidence. But you cannot. But you keep on coming every now and then and saying the same thing. For how long are you going to do this kind of narrative and expect changes? For how long? Listen.
And when he say Biafra land, But ndị chọrọ ichekwara Biafra land, they are ready. On 30th night, I made a remembrance here. You saw it? How they lit candles, praying, calling upon Chukwokikabiam, calling upon the powers that be. These people, etiego their lives on the line. Amazi onu one day na-aga ewere mmiri awunye n'ime basket oge nkere. Iwere mmiri ga awunye n'ime basket Ngozi Orabueze. Ị chọrọ igwe butu ụzọ ọnwụ gị chọrọ ya ndụ. Iwere mmiri ga awunye n'ime basket Ngozi Orabueze. Ị chọrọ gentle the yahoo ndụ ke chọrọ ya ọnwụ. Ike nguru agụ na-achọ gentle yahoo ka atụgbuo ya. Ijela na-achọ igwe butu ụzọ ka atụgbuo ya. Ha send their people, ndị otu Ngozi Orabueze and the rest of them, etisa Mother Valley. And
are you hearing that? Na ndị otu Ngozi Orabueze gatisa Mother Valley. This is a man, a peacemaker. This is a man. This Mother Valley that we all watched with delay, and Nigerian forces carried out attack. They are the one publishing it. Okay, that is trend like that until today. Ijere still believe that he's a very big masquerade, like he normally say that he is, which I don't know if he is or not. But I saw many series of posts from him, like many other people have seen. So how is it now that Ngozi Orabueze is the one? What does this statement remind you? What did he remember? What did he remember you? Did he remember something for you? Okay. How many of you remember when Biafra United said that to kiss to fire and Ngozi Orabueze are the one that behind, you know, when they buy the gentle Yahoo brother? From him, we started hearing he's the one. But when Gentle opened his mouth, he will tell you that governors Ebubago and Nigerian Army, they are the one. He never for once mentioned Ngozi Orabueze. One thing I like about Gentle, is, I don't know about you, this is my personal opinion. Gentle hardly lie. Like, if something happened to him now, he hardly put that blame on another person. I'm struggling to remember anything that he has said that somehow implicates somebody that has nothing to do with it. Despite the differences between the differences with DPM, each time Gentle open his mouth to talk about what is going on, he's always going straight forward to the Igbo politicians, Hope Uzodinma, Nigerian Army. You know what I mean? I've not watched any of his videos personally where he said, "Oh, Genkere sent the boss to buy me. Ngozi Orabueze sent people to buy me. Any other Biafran sent people to buy me." I have not seen him making such video. I have not. He's the only person that I can pick down and say, yeah, he has not done this, he has not done that. I can't say it to other ones. I'm sorry, I can't say it to other ones. You understand what I'm saying. Thank you so much, Armstrong. God bless you. I really appreciate your support. May God reward you and grant your heart desire. That are not evil. Of course, I know you are not an evil man. May God bless you, my brother, and strengthen you and bless you and your family. He said, Mazi Akwa will work in that warehouse in Italy for the rest of his life. I gotta beg you. Hey, yeah. I'm strong. So he worked there for the rest of his life. Obejo first said exactly, but okay. You know, I don't want to go there, okay? I don't want to go there. Wait for gathering number. He said, Peter, what did Peter say? Peter said, God punish you, idiot, impoted. Peter Okafor. Impoted. That normal student, and we are here. Do I need to reply you? I don't need to reply you. Impoted, but if I put a link, you can't even pick, you can't even come in and talk to impoted. So who is not imported? If I put a link in now, you that is Akwa red. If I put link in now, can you come? Can you come and answer some question? And of course, ask some question. Can you? You will never. If it was you're a man, no, but you are quoting a mad woman. Are you not mad? Of course, you are your own arrow. You can't go out. Oh, me tell you the camera than a WhatsApp group. If they ban a coy, again, a man. Thank you. God bless you. Ogwejo Fondewo. Look at him. He has dried up. No money again. No money again coming. That's from our brother, Ekwem Justin. If he does not get sacked, referring to what Armstrong said, say amen. That's Emeka Justin. They were Ogwejo Fobina. We can never forget about what those guys accused our DPM. Anyway, let's go back to the program. Keda for that guy, come let me mark your name. Makich. Peter Okafor. Okay, Peter Okafor is your name. Peter Okafor with the R96I. I know you are going to change your name, but I just want to let you know that he said, okay, I can come. Wow, okay. Without wasting much time. Here, I follow the link and come. Only you, please, not that person. Peter Okafor, don't say that your comment is up and the link is down. Peter Okafor, I'm announcing, I'm inviting you straight ahead. The link is here for you. You are watching from from my backup channel. Let me go there and drop the link sharply for you to come here. This is a student, Adadorama student. So you are here. Just break that record because none of you have agreed to appear here, not even for once. You and Dogen family. You guys, none of you can come. Peter Okafor, the link is here for you. I send it in every side so that no excuse. No excuse. Come here. Let us hear. Okay, why come? Okay, why come? Come here. Let's hear from you. Akwa ready. Come. Let's hear from you. Do I look like one of you? Camaradan Association of Lazuba. Otino Nani, I'm going to meeting a go Fulani woman, you guys remember. You can't say no now because that's what you do. You do it for a living. Follow the link and come, let me hear from you. I know Fiachineke Bogoko. Follow the link and come, let me hear from you. Okoki believe. You will not come, I know. You are just yapping. Can you come here? Let's hear from you. Okay, sorry, I'm actually, maybe I'm very, very harsh. Please, Mr. Peter, can you come, please? I don't want to be harsh. I'm not going to insult you. In fact, I withdraw my statement. I did not insult you. That is not me. So let's hear from you. Follow the link and come. Let's talk like for once in your life, be gentle. You see, you are not coming. Yeah, I can come. Look at his message here. I can come. I can. Oh, yeah, come now. Otherwise, can do a maybe you're a junior brother to Uchechi Okaf. Who knows? Follow the link and come. Oh, there. Mazi report. Good afternoon, sir. From here, that Jonesco Ndewo. I greet you. I greet you. So let's continue. Let's continue. Let's continue.
Biaka. Up to today, they can't shed any one of their blood because these are holy angels. But all this ununaka, he made the needful. But every now and then, unanajudu kwa genkere, egunu nenye oji emegeni. Unanajudu kwa ngozo raboeze, egoni nunu nyegorie oji emegeni. Ojiri emegeni. We are going to share this voice on the defense platform, and I will post it out because we're going to make it go viral so that Biafrans will see it. Yes, we'll share it and we'll make it go viral. Where is that? Let me see. This is maybe you guys have forgotten. I'll remind you again of this voice from Ngozo Raboeze.
This is your operation. Don't get here. The moment we such sense.
Okay, I am going to forward, I'm going to drag the video forward a little bit simply because the voice here somehow echoed and I don't need it. It is not actually all that clear. So let me just drag it a little bit. But don't forget that the voice you are hearing there is Adado Oranjo. Okay, Adado Oranjo that groomed this Peter Okafo. Peter Okafo. I can come. You can come, but you couldn't. you can. If you can, you can. I can. You can. The link is there, but you can't come, right? Can you? Where's that my link? Let me delete let me just delete it because where's that my link? Please don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like the video. Very, very important. Don't forget to like the video. I'm trying to let me retrieve the comment. Okay. Like the video, like the video, like the video. All right. I think we are good to go. Let's continue. Let's continue. The voice you are about to hear is La Zuba. Okay.
All these angels on ground on a meeting with everybody. This is shame. If I will call you, I don't know what the thing is. On the echo. Why? Okay. Let me refresh my system and replay it again. Let me refresh my system.
Also blessed. I see you. Also blessed. I greet you.
Okay, maybe it's because I was sharing something. Hold on, guys.
DK, I greet you, DK.
I think I might know. What? Okay, wait. Stop sharing. I will play it from the top again. I refresh my system. Okay. So please let me know if you're hearing me. I will play that voice again from top to bottom.
This year operation udo gachia nda wopụta abịa oge nkele ya recruit by Osaro Dokubo. The moment one could answer oge nkele na success na Asare Dokubo. That one gallant man may meet with Asare. And no one when Balono said that na when that na Asare Dokubo. N'oge nke na were akwụkwọ eji recruit akwụkwọ Biafran distance signed by Obatobi eji mee recruitment nye Asare Dokubo were na-recruit ndị mmadụ by ndị afọ effect for Biafran distance under Weaver Soludo kpọpụta kịta share ya everywhere na Anambra State na-akpọ ya operation udo ana m eji udo ụmụazụ bụ anyị na-egbuchasị
propaganda solution. They don't even know what is coming. I know propaganda. I never recruit. They show you now. They gonna show and they recruit. All just to put fear on the people. So they now. Don't worry about that shit. And whenever I say, they don't even know what is coming. They do not know what is coming. He has alluded them all propaganda and tactics. You move. Or the car when Hannah be a big family.
Oh, the same I'm gonna do
and the truth to say, I just said at their point of duty. Oh,
yeah.
About that nonsense.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do it time of a bubago. I suppose one like what did a massive can. All the Eastern Security Network, one day will. But I send for the neighbor back.
Okay, Kerry. Plan on Yana, the Yana, Nigerian government, Madam Azoka, ma Gaddafi has plan or okay, the was. Oh, my canal ground, Mona meeting there every day. I'm going to meeting with all my angels on ground, 20, 30, 40 at the same time. And I hear their report. Their happiness with that now they can ask mommy, thank you for saving our life. Number nine, they can during this year we have transition phase. Number nine.
So what I was telling you guys was that all the people this Honorable Fulani were a meeting with, Fanny in the only meeting with Famusigo.
Somebody said, our brother, he said, why am I sharing that? Masakai, is there any need to be sharing their program? We actually don't need this. We have passed this stage. We should be focusing on our freedom. Yes, I know. But let's not forget that in as much as you don't need to share it, they are blackmailing you. You know what? And they ask me for job bar or menana. If a bo went down now, Ndichena through the now a book of Madezuku. And they fail to join hand with you for your freedom. And if you don't clear air on this kind of thing, whether you like it or not, some people will buy into that. Some people will think the reason why it was an equal as no banankiti. I don't think keeping quiet is the best option. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. One thing about truth is that if you say it, you are safe. If you don't say it, if you don't say the truth, you are not happy. You go nowhere. People will start making, they will start telling lies, believing in lies, as if replacing lies with that truth. So, explaining it to people is very, 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 very important. Okay? Can you show us one of the person that applied? Ogwejovo, thank you so much.
So that's the reason why Eh?
And this man, he said that everybody that DPM have had meeting with and no more. She have had meeting with Igwe Botos. I just want to remind you.
Gidigbam and CDS Igwe Botos oji ozi. Ozi a na-ezi unu bụ fresh ozi na-ezi unu. Onye ọbụla bụ nwa afọ Igbo, onye chọrọ ichekwa ala Igbo, iwere ego gị kọbọ n'afọ gị, were nye ngozi o were nye oge nkere. Ị ga afuru n'ọhịa. It's simple. That is, iwere ego na ị na-enye oge nkere ọ na ị na-enye ngozi ọra bụ eze. Ị ga afuru ego ha bụ ego i werere like mmiri werere huye n'ime nkata. Na fana ha da arụ fa all the ihe self oge nkere enwe ihe ọkpọrọ Igwe bute ụzọ anymore. Why? Because aka adịrị ọcha. Ngozi ọra bụ eze enwe ihe ọkpọrọ Igwe bute ụzọ. Ngozi ọra bụ eze chọọ ka Igwe bute ụzọ nwụọ. That's why m ji akpọrọ unu this voice a. Ọ bụ unu na-echefugo ka unu cheta. Unu chetara ebe Igwe gidigbam gentle di Yahoo gwara unu onye unu ga-ezi ozu unu zie ya ozu n'ụzọ a ga-erute aka enidi omebia gwaba unu ya again. Maka odogwu ihe ọbụla ebe ọbụla odogwu na odogwu kwesịrị ịdị safe because ịma na ọdara ahụ achọ ka connect ya but the truth bụ na Igwe gidigbam agwagwa unu chọọ ka ozi rute ya aka na-ekwe ebe unu ga-ezi ozi. Simple. Up till today unu chọrọ ka ala Biafra dị mma. Unu chọrọ ka ndị angels na-echekwara anyị obodo. Unu ewere ego na-enye oge nkere. Were ego na-enye success onye ori na-arụ hotel. Were ego na-enye Ngozi Arabụ eze. Nwaanyị Fulani. Na-ege ntị ebe a. Ifeanyị ama akpọ gị ka m ala one voice a ka o play cha.
Nnamdi Kanu na-egbukwara innocent people. Ụmụaka dị innocent just because they're talking about Odogwu. When I get evidence, majority of them say, Mommy, thank you that now. Here, Nnamdi Kanu, I know because of what I did. Proactively, I want to go the whole Biafra from day one. No, on ground. Maybe my Butus and my Johnson, my Dina Sosanya, AG will unleash on the innocent Omaka. That is the happiness today, and I'm very, very happy.
Now, I hope you heard what Mazi Akwa said. Une wole go na enye oge nkere, wole go na enye Ngozi Fulani. Why Fulani? Okay, he's pretending that because Makano came to their platform, right? And the same message that Makano, passed to us, he passed it to them. Peace. Even if you have issue, discuss it internal. That's the advice of a white man, Makano, though. Then, few days later, this good-for-nothing man is here telling you again that you need to what did he learn from what Makano said? You understand? Nothing. Now, the issue of ask him that he's talking, because he said that he played the voice. That's why he's playing this voice is to remind you. This is someone that has series of videos against Simon Ekpa, Biafra Prime Minister. Each time he want to defend that, he will tell you, "Nah, anybody that's playing my old voice, when I had the issue with my PM, that the person is not. It shows that you are not sensible." But he's playing somebody's voice, so you get the point now. And he wants you to give him money also. Give him money, but don't give another person. Give him money because so if you are to judge by what somebody said, you don't deserve to be in fact, you are not qualified to even talk about anything different. You see the point now. DLA and their audio. You see, there's audio that I have it. I have that audio, but for once I have not played it once. The audio is no, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that there is secret audio. The audio is in the public. Okay? That if you are to counter this thing you are saying now, you begin to play audio from BLA. And if you play it, you know it's not good. Though. That audio is in public. He's even still that audio is in his own channel. As I'm talking to you now, that audio is there. But he's not talking about what Ngozi said. And he don't want to talk. He don't want to talk about the audio of the other side. He don't want to talk about it. And this is one of the Lazuba's job, because she's the one that recording conversation between. You see how Lazuba was standing there. Record. The person that released it is Lazuba. Then where is Lazuba today? And Nabai. These women, they always have one of this. One of their, their signature. One of their. They always have trademark. If you talk to Chimbeze, or Igbo, now they would none of Igbo. Last by and Nabai, Ejidi Madabokari. A matter that na Fanda with their plan, their target. Look at Mazi Akwa here. A man of different color. A man of different color is here telling you that there were audio. Reason he's playing this audio is to remind you of things of the past. Shall we go there? Do you want us to? Shall we start playing it? Like to go to visit Old Testament? Pure now, because all then how can you now unite with this crazy mentality? You see, some of them you don't need to unite with them. Some of them need to be discarded. Like you need to push them away, discard them. They need to. You don't need communication. That's just a fact. That is just the gospel truth. Some are manageable. You cannot make everything. You cannot. Just like when you buy this local rice and you see some stone in that rice. How can you make peace with the rice and stone and cook it? Is there any way rice that has not been cooked will make any peace with the stone in it? You have to remove those stones for you to enjoy your rice. There's no conference meeting that you call. No, that doesn't matter. That we make rice and the stone to understand each other for a proper meal. It's not possible. Hear him again.
We succeeded in breaking and drawing that line between Ndi Ochua and Onwaka that are happily coming out to work for United States of Biafra. So that did not happen. And for that not to happen,
United States of
we
Biafra
did excellently well.
Once again. Now let's go back. Now you're going to make United States of Biafra.
Innocent people. Onwaka the innocent just because they're talking about Dodo. When I get happiness, majority of them say, Mommy, thank you that now. I know because of what I did. Proactively, I want to go the whole Biafra from day one. No, on ground. Maybe my butuza ha, manjina, mandina, so we unleash on innocent Omaka. That is your happiness today, and I'm very, very happy. We succeeded in breaking and drawing that line between Ndi Ochua and
you see the body language of this guy, because he's involved. When you hear Ogenkere Sonak Barawan, he himself, in fact, his name should appear before Sonak Barawan. That is all the truth. He's the one that recruited Sonak Barawan to Ogenkere. He said it, not me. He said it. I'm not the one saying it. He quoted that he called that if had he not called Sonak Barawan would have been with him, because what he said in one of his videos. So meaning that he's the one that plays call to Sonak Barawan and tell you, nah, guy, we're here. The same they did to Biafran League, National League, BNL or BLN, I forgot that name. Biafran National League, I think BNL. Prince Will. The same thing they did to Prince Will. Prince Will was okay, was with DPM, with US government. Okay, no issue. Success Worker called him and said, we are here to join us. That's all. That's the end. Power of Kaba. The power of Kaba. Orchestrated and formulated by Mazi Akwa. And he's today now. He's nowhere to be found.
That are happily coming out to work for United States of Biafra. So that did not happen. And for that not to happen,
United States of Biafra
excellently well. There is something.
Also, now United States of Biafra to Abu Heshi. I want to understand what they said here because it matters a lot.
Line between Ndi Ochua and Onwaka that are happily coming out to work for United States of Biafra. So that did not happen. And for that not to happen,
United States of Biafra
excellently well. There is something.
I don't understand what he said. I'm not going to lie. I think it was reference to United States of Biafra, something like that. I don't know. Is that what he said? Please, you that are watching me, I want you to help me. Try if you can understand what he said here.
Happiness today, and I'm very, very happy. We succeeded in breaking and drawing that line between Ndi Ochua and Onwaka that are happily coming out to work for United States of Biafra. So that did not happen. And for that not to happen,
United States of Biafra
excellently well. There is something that we did that did not happen during Nnamdi Kanu's time.
Please, what did you hear? What did you hear? What did he say? What did you hear? Because honestly, I'm struggling to understand what he said. Yes, that is what he said. Yes, that is what he said. Okay. He said, OBT. Mr. CRC, weak manhood from Gazumari don't keep us. Yes, that's what the madman said. Okay. So let's hear it again, then we'll move forward.
Where's it? Why Fulani? No, against Eba. If I am about to allow one voice, I will play chat.
Innocent people. Why the innocent just because they're talking about Dodo? When I get happiness, majority of them say,
in another last one.
I know because of what I did. Proactively, I want to go the whole Biafra from day one. No, on ground. Maybe my butus on ham and Johnson and did I so way unleash on the innocent Omaka. That is the happiness today, and I'm very, very happy. We succeeded in breaking and drawing that line between Ndi Ochua and Onwaka that are happily coming out to work for United States of Biafra. So that did not happen. And for that not to happen,
United States of Biafra
excellently well. There is something that we did that did not happen during Nnamdi Kanu's time.
Now, shameless woman. Okay, let's talk about shame a little bit. Shame, in a shameless woman. Nobody can come out and say, I donated money to her. I dashed her money. Oh, she called me and begged me for money. You understand? Or maybe she stole something from me. She told me because of her, I am in prison. She sold me out and make money. Nobody. But can you say the same thing on your side? Can you actually say the same thing? I leave the answer for Biafran to answer, not to me.
That was why during the Kanu's time, many innocent lives were lost by Ndinobia before. Mama, in this time, they always tell me it did not happen like in Nnamdi Kanu, because most of them were there during Nnamdi Kanu. So they know what.
You see, this woman, you people forget that this woman at the time was comparing herself with Nnamdi Kanu. During Nnamdi Kanu's time. Do you remember? You people don't remember. during Nnamdi Kanu's time. The same thing with Ogenkere. Ogenkere no we kwa kita. Kana kwa compare yo we to the extent Ogara unecheta Ogara Mike Arnold no ya prime minister. Ogenkere me prono jeri jinede. Gwa Mike Arnold na nyawa bo prime minister. Just because they sat over a meal and he paid for a steak.
Okay. No. What if and we are going to validate what you just said, because you cannot open your mouth and say it just like that and get away. Makandinasia, because some of them are watching, but they cannot be man enough to use their voice and talk, simply because they think that everybody is as stupid as they are. Ogenkere, let me look for. I hope I have one of your video in the past, with me now, that will just summarize everything, because I want to do justice to what you just said now. Please just give me a few minutes. Let me see if I can locate Mazi Akwa involvement in the past. This issue of Ogenkere, because of what he said now, that Ngozi is doing comparison with herself and Mazi Kanu. And you forgot that this is English language. English language not be our language. We know that. But sometimes we don't need to promote stupidity because we don't understand English properly. Sometimes, even if you don't understand it, accept that you don't. I'm more English, in English land. So we are learning, but do not use that to brag or claim to be what you are not. How can you say what you just said now? How? After telling us that Ogenkere is the best, you even called him names. You are called him name that that is meant to Mazi Kanu. That is meant for Mazi Kanu. You use that name. Please, I'm looking for that video, not this one. Sometimes when you need something, that thing will be difficult for you to get it immediately, because I did not plan to play it. So I have a video here in the past. Maybe this one. There's one that I'm sure there is a guarantee that he said something. That word that I'm looking for, he said it here. He said it there. Okay, let's try this one. Maybe let's see. Is it this one? No, I think this one is my own program. Okay, this one. Let me see if it's my own program. Then if it is, I will drop it.
Thank you.
Yeah, this one is my own program.
Good evening.
I recorded this one. This is not the original video.
Yes.
But let's see.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's see if he said it here.
Thank you very much.
This one is my own.
Welcome everybody.
Video. So I'm working on how to.
We'll be asking why now? Why not before? Because a lot of things has happened. Please understand this. So the issue of calling this meeting a joint meeting of CRC,
just a moment, please.
and cabinet is to let you people know that our 8 p.m. has been suspended by the CRC.
Okay. That's number one. Because even myself, I laughed in the video. Okay, you know what? Let me take it down. This this is my own program, so I'm not gonna continue playing that. Let me look for that video. Our 8 p.m. What kind of 8 p.m. We suspended. Our 8 p.m. has been suspended. Okay, suspension, not dismissal. Hold on. Mazi Akwa will cry uncontrollable. Let me please permit me. Let me go back in search of one of the programs. There's a program where that inauguration, where the day they crown him the ATM. So that video has been here. I don't know why it's not. I can't locate it because I have so many videos here. So many of them, so many. So I'm trying to figure out, maybe I will delete this my video because there's no need to keep it here. Our APN has been suspended. Ike Guru. Okay, let me no, this one is Lasuba. Lasuba, no, I don't need Lasuba now. That video is very, very, it will serve. It will do justice to many things. If I can locate that video now, where he called him names. Okay, let's all listen to this one. Maybe not this one. This one is short. Not this one. Not this one. I don't know where I saved that video. It's here, I'm sure, but I have so many videos. I may not. Let's try this one. I hope. Not this one. This one is about Lazuba and their group. That inauguration message where they called that video where they said after them gonna give me you remember? After them gonna give me a video. That's what I'm looking for. I think that in that video, Mazi Akwa, the way they introduce Ogenkere, that respect and everything can only be pushed to somebody. Okay, is it this one? Let me see. Is it this one? Let's see. Please pay attention. Oh, I can answer. Oh, I can answer. Please, can you hear him? Can you hear them? Are you following? Oh, this video can be good. Video after the before gonna give me a introduction.
CRC Minister, we
Mazi, unmute yourself. Mazi,
Unmute yourself.
Sorry, I didn't even know. Sorry. So where is our elected acting Prime Minister? Where is he? Honorable acting Prime Minister.
Somebody
want to
no.
see you.
You mean you cannot hear them? Please, can you people confirm? Are you not seeing them or hearing what they're saying? Please, can you, before I go forward? I don't want to be. I'm not playing it for myself. I want this because of you watching, so that you can connect the dots easily, because we are gonna wind down very, very soon. We can hear them now. Okay, good, Kevin. Thank you for your response.
So beautiful face again. Yes. Wow. Congratulations. Once again. We move. Yes.
Oh, everybody.
Acting Prime Minister.
Yes. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Acting PM, you're muted. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Yes,
Unmute
unmute yourself.
yourself.
Okay. So the next step, now that Biafrans have spoken, they have.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now the next step is to swear in our acting Prime Minister, Honorable Ogechi Kunkere.
You see this video will go down in history from generation to generation. This video you are seeing here, it will go down in history. Some of you see it as just common thing. It's not common. This is the genesis of the problem. One of the vital moments of the movement is here. This video you are seeing here. And this man is the one that said, hey, after gonna give me our honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Ogechi Kunkere. Now, the man he decided to run with the name, the title, the support, and your backup. And you are not complaining that he's not comparing himself with Mazi Nnamdi. Now, tell me how you would have introduced Mazi Nnamdi better than what we've just done, what we did there. Are you following? But when the going is good, it's okay. When the going get tough, we want to blame somebody. DPM said what he says English language. English language. That during the Mazi Meccano's time, this is not Mazi Meccano's time. Mazi Meccano is in prison. That does not mean that he's not the leader. Okay? Because you that claim that is Mazi Meccano, he shouldn't have said that. Are you saying that if Mazi Meccano is here, that thing that you are doing and you will be doing it? That's how it's not. Okay, so you are doing what you are doing now because Mazi Meccano is not here, yes? That means it's not Mazi Meccano's time. Okay. In English, I call you. The again.
Our acting prime minister elect out of office.
Now, Imam Madabo, after making this video, next time we heard from him is when he said that I am not what is that language that he used? Kind of that he's not panicking, something like that. That's the way he put that word. Let's go back to the program.
Stabilize Biafra land, it will only get better. But that killing now can get a plan with India, with Sani Atarawa, and they plan evil. They could not do it in homeland because the lawyer to Odogu refused to follow direction of Butuso.
Did you hear that?
Thank you, Kevin. That's the word. I am not nervous. Not nervous. Nervous. Meaning that he woke him, but not he was peeing in his clothes because he forged a drum.
No Maka, the lawyer to Odogu, refused to follow the Igwe Butozo. But him, how can you be loyal to Odogu and refuse to follow Igwe Butozo?
Because you are not articulating the thing, because you are part of the problem. I'm not gonna comment on this one because if I do, that means I'm going deeper. But those of you that are sensible enough understand what happened there. What DPM said is the truth. Like I said, I'm not gonna go there, but let's continue.
Una for confusion, this bastard woman who retired to Biafra.
He's not the bastard. A man that people have been rumored a lot of so many times that his father is from Benin. I'm not the one saying it. Don't hold me. Yes, now. Not to leave me away from Benin. In a way, I saw how anyway, let's continue.
No Maka, the lawyer to Odogu, refused to follow. No, I am talking to see me like we Butozo. Very soon, Kachineke got thank God. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ga-ahapụta, Odogu ga-ahapụta, Chineke ga-akpọmi na unu niile ọkụ.
They refuse to follow anything.
Those of you that feel pain hearing this guy, if you are angry because of whatever that this Mazi Akwa said, what it means is that you are just a newcomer. You don't know Mazi Akwa. Mazi Akwa, this is his own line of, like his own what do they even call it? Area of specialization. His own area of specialization is what you just see him, what you just heard from him now. This is what he know how to do best. If he don't do it on you, remember the voice note he played centered on DPM and Dogenkere. But for the past for the past 40 or 45 minutes now, this guy has been busy hammering on DPM only. He shock you, you get why. No, you need to understand which in Adron Metrigo, so it also goes in a destiny get very, very bright. Adaba Katrifenatar. Oya Guara Marago, These people, they will always touch live people. They will weigh you before they come for you. Nobody wants to waste his time chasing shadow. You chase valuable items. In another, for you to be a gold digger, you must have meet gold. You cannot dig gold in an empty land. You can't dig for gold in an empty land, in a worthless land. But a land of milk and honey, that is where we will venture your gold digging career. Hear him here. He's trying to be what? He wants to be more Catholic than Pope. A movement that you will know nothing. A common information minister. Then he's here trying to tell you what his government means and all that. Imagine the audacity. Hear him.
We decentralize the military. This decentralization, and we keep announcing it. Only commander in one state with equal power with the other commander.
Una chetara the story of decentralizing the military. Una remember decentralized military. Mazi Solomon Nkwocha, the defense minister, Hagakonu call with Caterpillar. Nkwocha was with us in our 30th day of remembrance. You heard what he read in our 30th day remembrance. Because their eyes are opening. Kezam Runobi was there in our 30th day. These are people that were working with Ngozi, recruiting men that eventually lost their lives.
This guy is evil. Yesterday I talked about Nkwocha. Okay, I talked about Nkwocha in our video, and a lot has happened after that video, which I'm not gonna comment anything on it on air now. I know a lot has happened about that after I released that video. So many things has happened. I know. Let me not go there. The only thing I want you to understand is that Mazi Akwa will implicate many people. You say a very gentle, respectful person will be rubbished because of Mazi Akwa. Because they said, tell me who you go with, and I will tell you who you are. Going with Mazi Akwa is a no-no. A very diabolical human being. Very, very diabolical. Is not the same guy that started casting spell. Mention whom this guy have not picked on. Let me remind you, this guy have fought Ogenkere, Sonak Barawa, Success Weke, Uchobi, COS, Remigius, Lazuba, Gaddafi. I lost count. At some point, he will fall out with all of them. Do you understand what he just said now? He's on attempt to shame you that Solomon Nkwocha appeared on a platform. He's also trying to implicate Solomon Nkwocha that no one recruit to Mazi Akwa. For you to make peace with him. Did you hear what he said now? These are people recruiting our people. For Ngozi Ebusi. Show us a picture of burial. No. Okay, show us a what do they call that? Decomposed corpse. People that have been where they are smelling their rotten body and all that. Show us. No. Okay, show us the skeleton of those that are not even, they couldn't even bury the person. No. Okay, show us the place they buy them. No. The same thing Lazuba is saying. Now, when you listen to Gentle will not tell you that Neighbors, before Gwagune they betrayed them because Gentle said they are not receiving money. Honestly, I don't have any issue with the Gentle. And because of time, we are heading to 2 hours of this program. I'm not going to send link. Okay, I don't want anybody to comment here in this particular live program because I don't want people to go out of line and begin to say this and that and that. I don't need it. So what will happen? I'm going to wind down very, very soon. But don't forget to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. If you are to run another program that you can come in, please do come in. And when you come to my platform, don't start sending me car reports. Gentle say the Bututo said, please, I don't need it. Okay? Because this is issue of between government and Biafrans. Bututo is a Biafran. All of them are Biafrans. But my advice, because I'm going to play the video more. In fact, I will give my advice at the end of it. Let me not do it now.
So that is exactly.
Now, this is not to promote violence. This is not to escalate issue. DPM is saying what he said based on the pain of the past. Am I against anybody attacking Botos or attacking anybody, attacking Biafran because of freedom? And DPM has not done that. What I can make out from what she said there is that based on the thing of the past, no when they will because of the fact they go dogunti. Ego dogunti and a program now that you are playing my video, you are watching me with your handphone. We warrant people to send you to judgment. DPM was here when those things happened. She's talking out of experience. And she's a lady, a mother that understands the death of a child. Remember when the news of Holy Ghost broke out? In that moment of did I say Butozo? No, Holy Ghost, please. Holy Ghost. That Holy Ghost is no longer here. If you see the article, the write-off of DPM, everything she put out there, you can see the pain, even though the man have not publicly, supported DPM. I don't know what happened. But despite their differences, she still feels pain that the man is not here. That is what human beings do. That's what a leader do. You don't bring animosity or anger on everything. I know she's a very. Some of you, many of you don't believe me that when I said that I have not talked to DPM one-on-one. The guy, hello, good morning, ma. How are you, DPM? No, nothing. Before God, I don't have her number on my phone. I don't have her number. If you ask me now, call DPM, I don't have the number. Before God and man, I don't have her number. Because of this, she paid you. She not that I will reject money. If you want to support me, I will collect it. But don't say you are paying me to talk for your behalf. No, because you cannot buy the truth. That's not the fact. What you are paying for is criminality. If you are paying somebody to speak for you, you are paying for criminal, not truth. Truth don't warrant you. You don't need money to say the truth. You don't need money. But if you need criminality, you can pay for it because you are bypassing the due process. If you want to support me, of course, I will be very, very glad. But don't say pay. Nobody's paying me. Nobody. I don't have DPM number. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Then again, if you know what DPM know, you will say more things than what she said. This is a woman that don't even know how to. Not that she don't know. She don't have time to announce herself. She don't have time to announce herself. The 30th of May that just happened, among all the people that celebrated it, all Biafran group and all that, the people that have personalities among them more is USB government. And you can now argue with your keyboard, but I have told you what I know. So all this nonsense that this guy is saying here is part of the thing that we are complaining about. Criminality in highest at its highest level. Benchus, I know you are not going. I don't want to hear BLA, please, sir. I'm begging you. I'm gonna call you on phone. I'm not gonna put a link. I will call your phone, but don't, please. I'm begging you. I don't want to hear Bututo say, Gentle say. I don't want it. I don't need it. Everything you should talk about, center it on this Mazi, because he is the architect of the problem. He is the and this. I believe that BLM, most of them are being deceived. But before I call you, let me give my advice, because I'm gonna wind down now. Please, I'm begging all of you, ndị Igbo bụ Igbo, ọbọkwa nke nlụ Chimeze, ndị ekwu bụ ndị isi agbakọtara ọnụ. Butu ụzọ is our brother. Oh, Igbo nwa afọ Igbo ka Gentle, the same thing. The allegation that the body safer has not been verified, and I don't see anything like to justify that. People are doing mere speculation, but look at the body in our water. Let us reason as one. Okay, biko ọ na ịbụ ndị otu Butu ụzọ ma ọ na iwe contact Gentle, metu just for once in your lifetime, kpatụ agwa ka mmadụ, gwafa ha rapụ ya aka, ha si na ebo ya na wepụta, contact ya DPM, unu make a peace. Ụmụ nwanne ka unu jabụ ụmụ nwanne. Tigbo Zogba will not take me. Ọ ebe ji azụ aga. Ọ bụgodị na like ka US gọọmenti si eme ya for now, wetu ndidi PM ga-apụta, wetu ndidi Mazi ga-apụta, mana unu bụrụ ofu. Wụpụgodi ịmakwa onye mbụ, ịmakwa kansụl nọ ya. Onwere ife ọbụla mebiri ama ndozi wunu. Onwere ife ọbụla mebiri emebi a na-agaghị edozi. You can fix it by dialoguing, understanding each other. Ndị ọdịka ọ dị m ndị OES member, biko unu gosi they will never come this one, they are criminals. Oles monkey ji n'aka. If you don't say ekwu na asa na ebodo DPM, if how painful ọ na-adịwa, ịtụkwa asị tụkwasị ndị a obodo ga-eso edo ha painful too. Nke mụ na-ekwu m nke afọ n'anya, ịpụta na-ekwu na DPM na ọ na-eme nke ọzọ, ọ na-akọ nke ọzọ is not good. Ọ bụrụ na ọ dị m n'aka, mma agwa Butu ụzọ na ndị otufa kọntaktị anụ USB gọọmenti. Ị na-anụ? Rube n'isi. Otu aka ọ dị njọ, ọ ga-adị mma. Udo a na-achọ ka not come from ndị na-ebute esemokwu. Ịma nweta udo n'aka ndị na-ebute esemokwu, o metụbeghị, ọma mbido mewe kịta. Ịfụ Lazuba, ịfụ Mazi Akwa, ịfụ ụmụ mpịampịa kpakọrọ Igbo ma na-agba arọshi unu. They don't have voice. Biafra don't listen to them. You actually need somebody Biafra's agent and be loyal to them. They will rub your back, you rub their back. I'm going to find a major gafo. Na Gideon. Oh, so how far to define if I come? Oh, we can DPM na nagide. Obo ne maro. Oro yo do risi. Oro manande ifo bondem pasa. Fada pokonata. Fada chikonata. Ifa na ọrịa bụ ịkpasa. Ikuku ụgụrụ na-ekwusa ife mmadụ gbasa na ahụ. Ọka ife a na-eme. Ajọ ikuku na ọkpụkpọ ezigbo ikuku. Mbutu nkwasa. Ọ na-ayọ unu. Ọ na-ayọ nekwe amami unu ma ife. unu chama fe na get ifo ya kuleba ọbịa na agwa unu sị gị na ya na sọsụ then choose a moment ọ bịara ebe a na-agwa unu sị unu that na ya na asọsụ ego mana ndị ga-eweta ego a ka ọ na-epushukwu away with insult. If you don't just to ekwu na that voice note o play here, just to say that na not the go na no yeah no game over. They have betrayed us now with a calm voice. Oh, to hear my face ekwu. Lezen nke Mazi Akwa na-ekwu here. Ya ngozi Fulani golo Fulani. You understand it now? So please, I'm going to allow Chino, I see you. I'm not gonna put link like I said because I don't want anybody to come here and begin to talk anyhow. Please, let me add our brother here. Yes, so my brother, I greet you. Well. Yes, I'm live. Yes, I'll call you. And there. Okay, now Chinamoko Nano live. So let me go to Benchix. So please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And then someone has said that they cannot be trusted. They can be trusted. Okay. Government is not foolish. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
I greet you.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good day to you. I greet you. There.
Thank you so much. You know, the only thing I just want to chip in the audio videos of DPM, these criminals is playing.
Okay.
That audio message, that audio about DPM was the first strike from all these criminals. And that was when Lazoba was letting DPM about the gang up of Okengune and Mazi Akwa.
And Soludo.
Yes. And Soludo. Yeah. If you listen very carefully, you hear the sound of Lazoba on the background.
Yes. I gave me a
Lazoba thought that she will be buying a kind of propaganda to DPM. And DPM is not taking it. DPM was completely neutral with her. That was when that criminal, when they gang up with Okengwe. But can you imagine a criminal like Mazi Akwa will come out and call somebody a criminal? That time, Okengwe was paying him heavily.
Exactly.
You understand?
Exactly.
Okengwe was paying him heavily. That's why he could be able to buy a propaganda from a call. That attack call, they thought that they will use against DPM. But DPM was completely neutral, telling them about Soludo and all the evil they are planning, they are doing.
Okay.
If you listen to that audio on the play against DPM, there is nothing can get from that very audio.
Yeah.
That is why he could not be able to go further to play that video, to play that audio ahead.
Yeah.
You see, so that was the first strike. Her plan to go how to destroy the movement, this United States of Biafra, but it didn't work for them.
Okay.
So this is what I wanted to chip in. Anything about these guys, I have nothing to do with them. But it's particular this very one, he tried to use as a weapon against our DPM. this is the one I'm really, really mad. You know, if
Thank you. Thank you.
Their first cry.
Thank you for clearing air on that, because it's part of it, and I'm happy that you hearken to our advice. God bless you. God bless you, Berchus. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Our people want me to drop a link, especially River Goddess and Ocean Monster. Please, I trust you, both of you. As you come in, please just make it snappy. Let's say you spend 5 minutes, five minutes each, so that you don't have all that time to go deeper, because go straight to the point, the important thing that you want to say, but exclude that part that I told you. I don't want it at all, please. We have Ocean Monster. Please, the goddess, please, if you can hear me, follow this link and join us. Ocean, let's hear from you.
Ndewo Mazi Kai. Ndewo, my brother. May God bless you. This program, it is sweet our belly. But when you only make a program and no ayotro kitchen link, people will go to bed with very, very, very big anger. You got to go.
But it's not as if I'm not drive joy from it. But I know why.
No. I know. See, we understand you very well. Person like me, I understand very well, because sometimes, people cannot, hold the emotions. People cannot control their emotional. You understand? So I understand. But somehow, because Mazi, go on, you don't know how people are hot, deeply hot. As we are talking, as that videos are playing, some people are crying, not because they want to cry. They are crying because they know the bitter truth. This actually what is on the fact. You understand? And none of these people link Dr. Ngozo Arabeze or Arabeze's own name. You understand? And they again, for the interest of who we are, what we are pursuing, how we are today, what we have happened in the past, and where we expected to be by now, and where we are heading to. You can understand, but because River Goddess is here, I want to make my submission. But can you go to River Goddess here? Because
the goddess, you're welcome.
I'm able to check. Thank you.
Ocean Master, it will always be well with you. You will be respected in every area of your life. Thank you very much. I appreciate
Thank you very much.
I'm not taking it for granted. We are one. Thank you. I'm at work though, and it's like you're in the spirit. Thank you. Mazikai, I greet you so much. Thank you. I give you so much. Thank you. What I want to say here, Mazi Ocean Master has really struck what I wanted to say. Yeah, he asked na uche bụ gịnị na uche bụ ofu. So I will not go to the best. Also, ebem chole battle up on the area of DP Ngozo Rabeze. This voice note that anụmanụ abụ Vam played. Onye ọbụla gee ya, anyị ga-ebukie before. Onweghị anything o make. Yes. Onwere anything the tangible they against Dr. Ngozo Arabeze in that conversation. You understand me? For them to play out this, kedede Ngozi no were nya o metota. Ngozi say, oburu no oburu that I took proactive. Ama ha watara ihe oyibo ahụ bụ. Ama me akwụnụrụ ya.
Oh, Kuriana, I can't you say that she was commenting this based on the thing of the past in our
yes,
because on my phone it could
so Vam, you went to school, but school did not go through you. You don't know what is proactive step. And again, what's the reason of taking PM out of the way? Is it not a calculated attempt to take him out of the way so that there will be confusion? So that Hamabu enemy will now step in to spoil what you are doing? It's a question I ask you before. Vam. So in this stuff, on a ikwu because thank God for the program ime maka Mazi Nkwocha ka ntieri nnọọ Mazi because isi onye ọbụla jide nnọọ emotion ya so etiekwara m ya Mazi, you understand. So the
Thank you so much.
So the program ahụ mere stirred up a whole lot of issues, and ya nwa bụ onye na-ekwu vam you and Ogenkere was the masterminder of spoiling what is on ground. Then otu ahụ unu si mebie ye, you go fix it. You are talking about money. Onwere onye na Butuzo na Gentle that the money was not reaching to them. What are you doing? Use your own money. You have money. You have group. You don't need to come out now and start calling Ngozi Orabeze that you people say she's not doing anything. Ana akwụnye Ngozi Orabeze ego, ana akwụnyere Ogenkere ego. Kekwana nke ana akwụnyere gị na group unu. What are you doing? What are you doing with it? Use it. Use it and do whatever you people want to do with it. That's what I want to say. And onye na-record mmadụ without somebody's consent, imagine what you are doing, and you end it up. And if you watch the voice of the serpent at the background, assuming Ngozi didn't even, yes, Ngozi didn't even know you are recording her. You understand? See, Ngozi like that, no way.
Yet she could not implicate her either, even though she don't know that they're recording now.
That is the point. And these are the Umazi which you have singled your son Ogechukwu to be in their midst. Then it means you yourself, you are a spy, you are a threat, you are a traitor too, you are a betrayer, because it is Ogechukwu that is giving you the information and you say you are everywhere. I rest my mic. Thank you very much. That's what I just want to bring out.
Thank you so much.
One second again, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze created a WhatsApp phone. You understand? In the initial time, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze said, I am open. Unu si ka enye unu akwụkwọ, o nyere unu akwụkwọ, o gosiri unu document, o sendịara unu ego mbụ na ego nke abụọ. Let me tell you, once beaten, twice shy. You understand? Ịmalụ nke ịmalụ eme ọfụma, jee mebi ọfụma. You cannot sabotage me and I will bring you back in the system. Create your own system and start running your system. People see what you're doing, then others will join. I don't, like what I'm not now, it's some trust or lunatic woman with everything. No matter what, it's more trust. So I'm killing myself. I rest my mic. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Before you continue, this is our brother. I think you had all the go on our platform with the Beremere, right? There's something you need to know about me. I'm just telling you, gospel. Just hear me and hear me out, because I hardly call people out like this. I am the kind of person that I have cold water and hot water. Do you understand me? Be very careful with what you are saying. This your comment here, this thing you are put here, let it be first and last, my brother. No matter how we are laughing and smiling, let it. I don't know your intention, but let it not repeat itself again. I'm not threatening you, but I'm telling you that if you do it again, you will create a new email. In order, I don't even no joke. Please stay away from this kind of thing. Stay far away. Don't cry this kind of joke on me. I don't like it. Do you expect DPM to pay you for defending your land? Is that what you can make out from what I said? So I'm now begging DPM to pay me money. That's what you are saying. Like I said, let it be first and last insult. Let's continue. Anyway, Ocean Master, have the mic.
Let me start by apologizing on behalf of this person. I don't know the name of the person that.
No, Ocean, don't go to the program. Don't worry about it.
No, I know why I want to say this, please. You know, it hurts.
Don't worry about it. Let's hear from you, my brother.
But it's okay. It's okay. Thank you for understanding. Yeah. One that Goddess, I really thank you for being in this deep spirit. You see that voice you pick, the way this woman talk on the background. When he was playing the voice, I noticed it. And I say to myself, wow, this is a very deep ambush. You know, the woman planned it very well and pretended as if her voice is gone. You understand? So that you will be the one doing the talking and she will continue to recording you. You understand? But it's okay. Thank God that
do you think that this one understand the consequences of recording somebody? As in wife and
maybe she don't know, but some of them are because of their wickedness. Emma, see, there's something you will know, Mazi. Some of us, if you know how these people that operate, claim to be operating in spirit, or this, some of these wicked people, how they operate. Sometimes it's not that they don't know that what they are doing is wrong. They don't know the consequences of it, but because of that wickedness in them, it makes them to go out, fall out of line and do that thing that they know that will even hurt them. That's why he are phoning out tomorrow or na hurt family tomorrow. He or she continue to do it because he cannot help the situation. All the DNA or the DNA checking in down at na village now. That is why
that thing for a day like Yakwa. From day one, she knew that she cannot last in our.
She had a plan for all the things that you see that she record. Mazi, just imagine now we are talking. You don't have anything against me. You don't even think about me. You know, recording you. You're having normal conversation with me, maybe confidential conversation, you know, me and you will know, for example, we are having, you know, all of a sudden, you record again to keep it. What do you think that make me to record that voice and keep? We are not enemies, we will not fall out in any form. That will tell you how deeply wicked they are. Go and check those people in the old. This People's Club guys are not. People's Club is very good. But anyway, in my family, we are part of it. Let me use it as an example. Some of the men there go and look at their family because of their commitment. What is going on? That will tell you the kind of people these people, if enough name here and amen, how much are the consequences they still fall in it. Going to the program, Mazi, thank you very much. Thank you and thank you again.
Mazi Ocean Master, brain callous, at times is typographical error. What he wanted to say, do you expect them to pay? Maybe is talking to this group of people for defending their land. So read it again. Okay. So do you expect at times construction, but I have read it, I picked up what he meant here. So he made a DPM expect defend the land. So that is what I got here.
Typographic error.
What type of people do you expect?
Also, what type of people are these? Yeah, and they are no man. I tell you, people are hot. And you tell people not to.
The thing is that no, why I don't take it that way, because men on ground or BLA, their upkeeping, like giving them money, is normal thing. We are not paying them because of what they do. DPM do give it to them. Why I don't want to, why I see DPM, like I believe what DPM did is that they came out and said that I don't want to work with you. And when they say they are working with you, they refuse to distance themselves from the opposition. We must not, that's why I don't want to go talk about BLA and all that, because if I go, it will be a very big talk, which I don't want to get involved. But for the sake of what he's saying, I don't buy the idea that he's referring to DPM, because I said something here about some people saying, listen, okay, whatever Saga, Why is it when I mentioned that he put the comment that some people think that kind report DPM is paying you? That I said it here that I don't even have DPM number. Okay. After saying that, then this comment now came in. If you want to tell me that you are trying to refer to men on ground, let us make sense out of it. How can it be men on ground? Are they not be paid before? They're being paid.
Unless maybe that I don't. Okay.
That's why I don't want to talk about the comment. I saw what he put in there, but I don't want to start arguing, or I just want to wait with it. Whether you're talking about me or not, please. The timing of your comments and what you said is somehow not in line with my own understanding. So let's just forget about it. I don't have any issue with him. I just remind you because I don't know anything about you, my brother. But in case if that's what I'm saying, you're not my enemy. I don't see you. I'm not fighting you. That maybe because you don't like, maybe my tone may be harsh, but I'm sorry. Okay, I'm not saying that you are my. That's why I don't want to further the talk, so that you don't feel that Kairo is attacking. I'm not attacking you, but I'm not comfortable with your comment. That's just the fact. Let's continue. So don't see that I don't have any issue with you, not at all. That's why I don't want to talk about it more. I just want to focus on my program and do it and go. You know what I mean? So not talking. I don't have any issue with you. You are not my enemy. I don't see anything wrong. I just feel like your comment that I don't like it. I have to let you know, so that it will not repeat again. You understand? Thank you so much for your understanding, though. Thank you, River Goddess, for your suggestion. We have Greg in the house, my brother. Good day to you.
Oh, as a modern Kitana, each of them they book the how much I can book before it was in. I just say because I don't know now, you know, I got
sorry, my brother.
One Greg anyway. Yeah, so straight to the program. Mazi Kai, you see, this very particular Dimpa Bini of how will I put it, Tima Ojobeli here, Banarama. Ndana devam agusu onu mmiri gotago just obere iko jumana dimba bini osiasia na eba talk about va gotago
Mazi Akwa no Eggman
Mazi Akwa ni
one of it
Oba boni Akwa lede okwikolo onu ga
Yes, so you see, there's something that you forgot when he was mentioning the people that this guy have picked upon, lied upon, do his propaganda. Though some of them are his colleagues, but there are people that are genuinely what do I say? Genuinely the people that he wanted to castigate. Now, this particular guy, Dimpa Binia, or Akwa, just like one of the people said, you see, have you forgotten that this guy, through his mouth, he have castigated our PM in a very deep form, in a very wrong manner, that this guy, this very particular guy, born off PM. Oman tabidanya we mi child that na Biafra he did it in different forms. Try to use propaganda, it didn't work for him. Try to lie, try to do all manner of things on social media. Then last have you forgotten that? Now look at the person that. Let me use Mazi Nkwocha. I don't want to mention the other people because you said something. Look at the person Mazi Nkwocha that I respected too much. Go, to sit down and talk while he see this ugly face. You see, this guy, remember, during declaration, we knew the plan that was there. Their first option. And who will cause the chaos? Who do they want to use to start it? This very particular Akwa, according by the information, they will be the one to stir it, cause the chaos, pretend to fight. This is him. That one did not work out. This is from him. Go to success Mweke, Ogenkere, and Sonia Barawa. And this is the way the head of Katakata burst. and through via Imam Madagwa as well. This is the man that our own Mazi, former Secretary of Defense, went and sat down, talk why he see this type of ugly face. You see, I want to use your word yesterday when you do the program, Mazi Kai. I'm trying to, be careful on the choice of my word. Okay, let me say this. Mazi Nkwocha, you see, okay, the Bible is in okenye, ada. Personally, if I were you, if I'm in your shoes, if I have any link with you, I would have told you, instead of you to surface in this manner, please, sir, remain neutral, remain silent. And if it is by coincidence that you and that is Amunobi and who met there, good. We take it that is by coincidence. But if it's not, hello, hi. If it's not that it was a well planned or orchestrated, hello. If it is well planned or orchestrated, oh, my dear, you are far, far bigger, matured, and more higher than that. But it's okay, I can understand. I don't know where the voice that the Mazi Kai report played here, coming from the bush, our people or our brothers, our good brothers in the bush. I don't know where the voice came from.
Your time is up.
Okay, let me just let me drop it. Okay, no, let me drop it. I'm not talking about them. Let me drop it like this. Mazi Nkwocha, you see, this place you went yesterday, just like Mazi Kaiku here, if you make mistake and remain there, this guy that have fight literally with everybody, that reputation that remains for you, don't allow this guy to rub shit upon your face. Remember, na ejiji nyuchie nsi ụzọ, ọ na-jikwa ya na ọkụ ejiji oge ezuteriri ya. Ọ dị adị mma okenye inyuchi nsi ụzọ. Ka ndapụ ya etu Mazi Kai. There's a lot to say, mana. I respect you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. When we come back, if there's something that you want to add, you can add it based on in that line, not the other side, please. Thank you so much. And God bless you, my brother, his wife. Thank you for your support. He said, Mazi Kai, good to meet you live, though still very busy at work. God bless you and your genius. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, you mean guests, sorry. God bless you and your guests in Jesus' name, amen. Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you, and I really appreciate it. May God reward you and grant you your heart desires. I really appreciate it. Then we have Mazi Greg in the house. Let's hear from you, sir.
Yeah, Mazi Kai, good evening or good afternoon. My greetings to our brother Ocean and our sister River Goddess. I think I'm right. I am winning earlier. So I greet you, my sister, and the Biafrans. Yes, that's so much. Yeah. Thank you, darling. Dallas Ocean, yeah. Thank you, God, for our life all. It's joy when we can witness that we are still alive. In the month of June, Mazi Nankana is still existing in the month of June in the land of the living. And Mazi Simon Ekpanjoko, the PM, is still existing in the month of June in the land of the living. And our DPM is still existing in the land of the living today. I thank God for their lives. and God will continue to expand their life and health until Biafra is 100% restored. Thank God for all the cabinet and the media. May the hand of God continue in your head. We will always remember you anyhow, and Biafrans anyhow in the prayer. May God continue on your side, on the side of the Biafra land, especially in Igbo land. May God pour His holy water on the land of Biafra, mainly in Igbo land. That is the head. Yes, Mazi Kai, it's a shame because now that is from your beginning, it's not trouble it here. You try hit your link because you don't have capital for Biakuo anyhow. Mana. Sometimes you can control, but you cannot control people's anger and emotion some of the time. And the the only thing I can advise is when people are coming with emotion and anger, you can only try to calm them. But not because of that say, I will not put link. Because if you do this kind of powerful exposition and you do not put link, then you are scaring us away. The kind of anyhow. So yeah, the truth not the abuna. Onye furu this man vam. People that you can stand on their face and call them criminal, sorry kwakai. So onye nwere ike nọ n'iru ya kpọọ ya criminal.
My brother, please don't be angry. I did not say nobody should. If you want to say anything to my master, but go on. What I mean is that I don't want us to start discussing BLA and all that. You understand? Not master, please.
Because in the way, Sinaman Agano here, boy, a criminal. But there is evidences going on a criminal. The last one, shock Rambona, when he started raising money for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, and Mazi Simon Ekpanjoko, the PM lawyer, and he asked people to go and donate on the website, and said that website is the same website that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself formed. And the same website is the one Mazi Simon Ekpan himself worked with. And he was deceiving Biafrans. Then I was thinking, I said, how can the same account, the same website and account this Mazi Nnamdi Kanu work with about 6-7 years ago? It's the same account that Vam is asking people to go into the website and donate money for his case. Until I watch Naya Anya when they have program. I watch that program. I don't know how I managed to come. I see that program Naya Anya with one guy, this guy in London. I don't know his name, and one other guy. Then in that program, somebody asked Naya Anya question about that. Because they were all this, that is when all this accusation about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu started, and all this blackmailing. Then Naya Anya will say that when they use that website when making na people egos na another Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer no kwando that now what they did was they went into that website, they go into the website and they change the account and start asking people to donate money. That if they go there and donate money, that money is normally coming into the account of that very account that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu opened. But this criminal come and tell people that it was the same account and website that people should go and donate that money. The money is for the lawyer for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and PM court case to pay for their lawyers. Which kind of criminality is that? This guy calling Dr. Ngozi that is what is Dr. Ngozi doing with the money that is collecting from people? The same guy is the one that Biafrans were donating money, and in that money they were sending him thousands, which he kept the receipt. Is that not criminality? When you can carry the same person that is fighting for you, all of us gathered to fight for our freedom, and somebody that called finance minister is sending you thousands monthly. And you are not asking him, where is he getting that money? That you will go and complain you lack money. Then he will send you money. And you are working in Italy. Can you not cut your coat according to your size and know the limit you can go? But because you have criminal mind, Ogen Kere was sending you money, and that time he was finance minister until you managed to form a memo that will make him the prime minister. And when you want to go and have control of that finance, and Ogen Kere refused, you become angry and you dumped him and say, started calling him a criminal, that you are managing him. This is the man that came to Biafra declaration, have plan A to Z, and Biafra have not come to ask you what is your own plan from A to Z. You have not answered us, giving us step by step those plans, what they stand for and what you wanted to use them to achieve. You have not done that. And you're asking Biafrans that ego na-etinye Dr. Ngozi Orebeze bụ ego nọ n'ekete. Also, you're not flush in a toilet. Oh, Biafrans na-etinye is not your own money. So what is your business? So, and any reason to call person criminal, if any person have power, who have reason to call, only person that receive 1 naira from Ogen Kere, any reason to call any person criminal. I'm telling you, because that person is a criminal as well. That is the fact. So that one is by the way. Then going to the clip, Hannah Akwa, when I say, na ihe clip Dr. Ngozi Orebeze na clip nke a kpọrọ si na Dr. Ngozi
Orebeze
rekọdụrụ ma nke ha si na anaghị enye ha ego. One thing is this, I still say it from the one and I still stand on that. I will number DPM Dr. Ngozi Orebeze ihe ahụ mere ka m ga-eme, because you must learn from other people's mistake. Any person who want to work with you and they don't trust that person, especially in the security aspect. What did I mean by trust? Trust is in the side of security. Security is supposed to give you reports. Security is supposed to, that person only the figurehead in this time with Dr. Ngozi Orebeze. And how many expect this your security in me? Because they cannot trust them. They can set you up. And you become a terrorist before the international community. Kita no our PM no somewhere. If they had respected what PM asked them to do, they asked them to never to come out on anything media. They were asked not to communicate with any person in the public in Biafra, both media and anything. The so-called criminal that is Van have communications from the one with the men and the security people. They have communication with him. They have communication with Adada Ramma. Are those things not criminality in the first place? So, and we the PM don't have the idea. And he gave that listen, let nobody. And the woman who obeyed that law till PM was caught, which is Dr. Ngozi Arabez. And she is in position to have all your numbers and your communication and as she wants. And she kept herself very low and stand on that thing that PM said. She obeyed it. And how you do against her, the only connection with the men on the ground, because PM I trust him. So that is to show you the kind of people you are dealing with. So everything that PM said, they did what? Again, had an issue from beginning to both the men, the security men, and both to the so-called people, Van, and another man, and the rest of them. So if I am DPM, any person that will not work with the standard of the government, that person is not on the government and not working for the government. And you will not expect the government to carry.
Let me come in, Mazi Greg. You know, this is the reason why I said this is the reason why I don't want anyone to go deeper like we're going now. The thing is that when you talk about, when we because of we have common enemy, right? We know what is going on. Like when you talk about peace, you cannot keep on reminding yourself of this problem, reminding yourself the mistakes of everybody, why you want to build peace. Now, I'm not saying peace that the government should turn to mumu. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So, because of the trust I have on the government, people that are in charge,
I
can go to bed and close my eyes and sleep off without bothered. I will not bother what will be the outcome of the decision of government, because I know. Because we have seen that governments are not, they don't talk more than they do. They even talk less. So they have seen things. They know who is who. They have weighed everything. So I am not in position to be to tell government accept them or not accept them. What I said is that if truly they are looking for help, like they're claiming that they need money and all that, what they need to do is that what I said, my own opinion. Go to DPM. You people should go back to DPM, explain yourself and apologize, and discard these people, these canker worms that are perching on you people. You see this Mazi Akwa, all of them from A to Z, those of them that have tried to raise funds, Biafra Unite, will go 247, Adada Orama, let them shift away from them. You know what? Then know that you are in government, and even if you don't like what government are doing, you don't like it, like some of you claim that you don't like it, focus on government or DPM, PM comes out. But this idea of forming group here and there, and you people should stop dishing press release without following the government order, because if you check what they're doing, what they read in that on that title, I don't want to talk about those things, because if you go deeper, like I said, it means that I am doing that. I don't want to be like Mazi, who want peace at the same time creating problem. Okay, so this era, this is a time people need to, you have to check what you want to say. Why? Because you want to know if there's any atom of repentance in them, any atom of adjustment in them. Government can adjust to accommodate them because now look at Udele. Look at Keshos. Are you happy with what they're doing? Are you happy with what they're bragging? How they are mobilizing touts? So this vacuum being created by Ogenkere and the Mazi Akwa have done more harm than good. They are giving, the more we are doing that, they are giving Jolfika more mic to talk. You are giving Ikegura more mic to talk. If you realize this, what you need to do is comport yourself, shield yourself, calm down. PM is coming out, Mazi is coming out. They cannot stay there forever. Me and you know that this is what will happen. The program that we are going to do after this program may throw more light on this thing that I just said now. That's why I want to end the program, because I'm coming back again later.
Okay, just 1 minute. Come end it up.
All these things that you want to say, you are saying the truth, though. What you're hammering is good, but I cannot stand anything now that will give more money to Jovik, because it is obvious that these guys are jihadist enablers.
Yeah.
Thank you so
My
much.
brother, Awe na ime ihe ila ikwu interpret kita ga ma na ihe na-ekwu bụ ihe gwa na-ekwu. Then yes, ihe gwa na-ekwu bụ ihe ma na-ekwu. The truth not there, Abuna. There is one thing you must always know. If you really want peace, there is one. If you want peace in your family, in your organization, in anywhere you are, and you want to make peace, what you do, what brings peace is you allow people to voice their anger. Let their anger come out, then you will know where they're going and where they're coming from. So, if we say we cannot discuss, nobody's push. If before God and man, from the one, if I am DPM, I am not the government. Government know everything more than me. So every decision they take, I will stand with them as long as God give me life. I will stand with them because I have my trust on them. So the only thing there is this. The only thing there is this. Those people that you want to make peace with, they must come out pure. Any person that associates himself with Mazi Akwa, like this Solomon Nkwocha now, I have no single regard for him. Not even one naira regard or 1 penny, because naira is shit. I don't have one regard. It's different people with different reaction. Because I cannot imagine a man that told me he was once in American military, an engineer, who knows mathematics, physics, and the chemistry and to the level of it. And he cannot balance a good equation. And he fall into the hand of the woman they called, I don't know, a liar at 70-something. And you go back to that woman who lied with the name of Holy Spirit and say Dr. Ngozi is a Fulani. And when she found out that she was a liar, she said it was on a dream. A 70-something years old woman. This man, they call Vam. This man, go back to the man and have plan A to Z during the time of declaration. In fact, I can regard China Sanworu than Solomon Nkwocha. I'm telling you, that's my anger to that man. I'm telling you, he can never be trusted for anything. For you to know my anger to that man. So let me leave it. Let me leave. I pray that I will join the next program. I think I'm not going anywhere tomorrow. Even if it's 3 o'clock in the morning, I will join. Thank you.
So Saturday we will run it. We will do it. Like you can talk as long as you want because tomorrow is Saturday. So we are going to.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you.
One Greg Abrokwa na na-ekwu China Sanworu no like ya no na asa na keji man biwe mata na asoro ekperi manya bulu. Yes. That is why that is why and a lot of people maybe actually even just like myself I just cut nke maka I can get I will trigger the lot. So I just leave it as Biafra is this in the by you see when Dr. Ngozi Rabeze na ekwu also that lies doesn't go one side. Lie have 2 ways. And that 2 ways, if we decided to say lie, meaning that I and you will agree to that lie. It's either I sell, you buy, or you sell, I buy. So that makes it accomplished. Now, what am I saying? By the Biafrans, we have come a very long way. Those who join newly, you may not understand, but if you look at what happened to Obatubia and how it happens, it will give you a good picture or narrative of what I'm saying. Then those who have been around, if you go through during the time of our leader Mazi and the Kanu till date, you get the clear picture of what is there, even though some will touch was Rike, yes. So now what am I saying? Some of us here have said it. If our brothers need money, there is a right channel, and that is pure. That is truth. You can
That
agree
is
with
gospel
me.
truth. That's all the facts.
Yeah, yeah. You can agree with him. I agree with him 100% and million percent. So what I'm trying to plead to all of us here: look at the face of somebody who is calling for money. Just look at the face of this man. What does he tells you? Number one, this is a man that have been involved in a lot of scandals that connect to finance, cash. Check. Now, as I'm talking to you, I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm doing the job that I'm not meant to do because I'm in a foreign land. We have outgrown this type of thing that we're doing today. Now I will finish it, go and contribute my money. Every other person contribute. Just for that, you are adding money that you are giving for the people on the ground, for their contingencies and their maintenance. This particular person called Bam 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 will be part of the people that will share the money. And today he's pretending. Oh my God, I wish these people that he's pretending to talk with, they will get the true picture of this guy, the true color of this guy. They will understand the damages that this guy have caused. Now, Biafrans haven't said that. The point I'm driving home is this. Please, there is a way always to show somebody, to prove to somebody that he or she is a liar, that I will never stay in one page with you. There is something that Obasanjo said that Dr. Ngozi Konjiwara told him, or when they are trying to negotiate with some foreign countries about their economy. He said, accept their offer but never do their bidding. Now, what I'm saying is this. I want all of us, as I'm talking to you for a couple of times now, I have not done my obligation in terms of this journey, just for a couple of times now, because of some certain hiccups. But as it stands tonight, tomorrow morning, that will be the first thing that I will do. I'm gonna donate to the United States USB account.
Ocean, just when we come back, we can preach, you can deep down,
okay.
We can go deep on that.
Okay.
I want to run
Summarizing,
otherwise I may not make it.
Summarizing, I just plead to everybody, go and donate your money onto USB account. Do it to shame the devil. That will help us and help our brothers to go to our government, and we'll be on the same page. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. We have IJ Minister. IJ Minister, let's hear from you. There, my sister. You're welcome.
IJ Minister, ndewo. I miss you.
Ndewo Chineke, ndị agọziri agọzi, ndị ekere maka oge dị ugbu a. Ndewo Mazi Kai, ndewo. Our river goddess called the origin of origin in South. Can you hear me? Oh, Chineke gọzie onye ọbụla. My dear, I know that program about just let me say 7 minutes maximum. But someone here may log in. They will, hey, my personal person. Thank you for paying our brochure. I will never forget to. The Lord shower you financial abundance blessing. Okay, and your generation will never see poverty. So, Mazikai, the reporter himself, will continue to report the devil. I will report and we deal with him at the same time. So, because I know our brother Nenye submission before the last our brother now Kurusi. Na anya will wake up more van criminal. How? I mean, how? A criminal is a criminal now. Van wonyoshi. Ya no way man ya wonyoshi. Onye zunu ya wonyoshi. o zuchara zuo n'ime ụlọ ụka lenu na onye zụrụ ya adaboye ha niile ọhụụ the same feather ke ha na-ekwudo ihe anyị ahụkwara n'anya so onye kpọrọ Bam criminal Bam na onwe ya mana ya wụ criminal ọwụ na ọ na-agwa onwe eziokwu ọ nọrọ na secret of his secret ọ ga na-agwa onwe ya na nwoke ka iwu onye oshi ka nje zuta because ihe onye ọ na-akpa ụka ka nje zuta
ekpe ka ọwụ adị ekpe ka ọwụ so
anaghị eme excuse na ịjụ that one. Then Solomon Nkwocha, can be done as Solomon Nkwocha now. From the first time, I like him. I don't like that man. My spirit just rejected him. But I can't say anything because this thing. Or something like that. But what I did was keep praying that God will expose him. You know why? Onye ahụ na-abịa na-ekwu ihe Biafra ya were akupe ndị eze oshirishi dowara gị na-eshi ogi. What does that show you? It's a very simple thing, you know. What does that show you? He is working with Hope Uzodimma. So when you all with the negative, them surprise. That was how I saw him in the spirit. And I keep watching, my spirit keep telling me the same thing. This man will sabotage, this man will sabotage, this man will sabotage, this man will sabotage. All this, watch God, there's one identity in the sabotage. They don't put their money, but they want to eat from the money. Fundraising will Solomon. Until Adadi Orama Koya Hunon. If you follow this struggle, bring down your eye to know point by point how people are. Adadi Makoroya ono, Adocho Koro Solomon ono. Fundraising. That was when Solomon started putting his money on fundraising. He was not there for freedom. He was there to sabotage and inform. So going with I don't know it's not a surprise to me because on a mission. Then come to this idiot who Vam again Ngozi Orabezu again. Or then Koya run in na kokita a time on Europe, can bruise on Magora because I may marry in a court. You know what I mean? Or the non Koya running on Magia, no biganga Magia. Chineka Ogoku. What who gave you the impetus to ask that question?
I would 1,000 I hear zero music. Say I would 1,000 I hear and all but Nigeria, no 1 million plus. Then you go to Heka.
I want to. Also, I am with a receipt. See the quote to 1,000. Also, I am with a receipt. I go hard money, Annie. Now with a receipt. Okay, now this idiot to Nebuha, Finland, Degara. Oh, I got a shopping email. Oh, we got okay, Kerry, me shopping. And when I hear that, Vam, and when I
despite the guy in equal life and nan, or Kabu or that's this na DPM, shameless woman. They say, shameless in terms of what?
Or conscience. Vam is an empty. It's an empty man. We never have conscience. The conscience say Jimoya. That on Nigeria Nollywood. Okay, honotara. Ebony no 0-0. Onwe ba na no. I want to be a player and we chichara yoko. Yes. Yes. I'm going to Akwa mother with character. You need money. Vam come and across. So okay. Okay. Yes. Then how can you again is what I came but zugide. You wear look at one. Did you hear look at one yo? Or the same USB no nebu, the same Biafra here. Oh yeah, Lorogen one. Anuman. You want conscience and you will not have one. And you don't matter again, cannot repent.
Okwa no na afi macha. Ọchọzie mụma na a ga-achị ya ọchị osegburu a na-achị ọkwa nwunye mmadụ nwoke ji ọrụ ọba n'ime room na-eme ịmakwa ndị anyị
onwe ihe kọrọ ya na-akpa onye yi na nwanne ya kọrọ nwere nsogbu n'ime ụlọ ya pụta na social media mpasa ka mmasị nwoke a ozu ka ozu I'm telling you ya pụta na social media na-akọ ihe na nwanne ka ịkọchara ya on what reference? Look at Biafra's struggle. Look at you. If you know something, you just go and solotape your mouth. But the problem in who brain, in who conscience, and what God. That is afraid that I wait. efurefu otu a nwanne anyị nwoke ji si edowa anụmanụ nke ọzọ dowa nke ọzọ ya ịma ha abụọ wụcha ndị nọ n'ọkụ mmụọ but o nwere onye ọkụ mmụọ ka ya aka so Vam who gave you the impetus to ask about money nke onye money nke dọrara akọ nke ndị ọzọ dọrara akọ nke izufọrọ onye oshi why don't you go and ask Okoma ndị gị na ha kwuru di gị na the same thing when I called you to warn you about Okoma I know what you did to me I can't forget that. Why don't you go there? Why don't you go there? First declaration, I called you. I said, be careful. Go wash him down. I can't forget it. Because soon you need to she. Come on, what is 21 million? Best of the same feather flocking together. Imebo come on the go. Ebe obunu padara na akuku ite ebe agogo onu no. Is on other day got one Dr. Ngozi Arabeza aha maka ego chukwu na gekwe ka ịdị ndụ for that day I'm telling you any day plan and if that's your useless platform si na ihe bịara ikwu okwu our national mother chukwu gekwe ka ịhụ that day aro na apụ dị gị sef are you mad na chukwu ihe ebe idowara ihe njodi am gị mami ị na-ejikwa ebe idowara ihe onye ọzọ dowa gị ejiji that is another sign of criminal onye oshi so onye kpọgbu onye oshi capital onye oshi all capital onye oshi ka ewu gote na onye oshi ka anya na-anọ n'ihe onwe ha idowara ego o nwere ka ị tụrara weta receipt gị brother ihe gwara anyị receipt ego anyị dọrara eji na-akwụ gị salary iji jede lọ nwaanyị at the same I don't know one day onye sọpọsọrọ nwa mụrụ gị ihe niile oshi ya gụrụ ihe nwa anụmanụ ihe niile izuwara kemgbe a mụrụ gị from Nollywood to church from church to when we were struggle
special ịma na nwoke acha na ọma ihe ọ chọrọ ka ọ kpọrọ anyị n'ọkpọ sị my son Nnamdi nọ na nga has come back to my onwe gị na-apụpụ
ọ gụgburu onwe ya n'afa ọ gụgburu onwe ya n'afa that is afọ ahụ sochaziri ihe kpere ya ikpe na afọ ahụ ọ gụrụ mgbe m nụrụ datin gbawara m isi afọ ahụ sonye ihe kpere ya ikpe ọ nwere useless man continue ọnụ na because ọ mụtara MNK anya mụtara second M n'elu na onye oshi nchefuzie na ị gwara maazị Simon Ekpa na Biafra ga-eri isi ya inwetakwara shame ị ka na-ekwu ihe Biafra ruo taa that shows you that you amount to nothing if it's not this Biafra you will not live you amount to nothing because ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe mere amount to
Finland ha na-agba ọnya Finland enyi nwaanyị ayogo ego si ka ese ndị arịa mgbe na-ajụ n'ụbụ ọ by force ọ iwu bụ ịga Finland ọ bụrụ na ijiri ego ndị ala
because ha dị na use of iri nke mmadụ ori nke mmadụ eri nke ya they are used to that but Chineke akọtụọla ha ọdụ ihe all these criminal ama ha ihe ndị a niile weliri aka ha elu any reconciliation with them I am not among it and onye ọbụla that associate themselves with them one thing is we must know there is one thing ndị Igbo ga-ama o nwere one thing ọkwa ịhụrụ criminals are born saints are born abụọ gị ka ị were a criminal ọsọkwa gị jee wuru Pope ndị Catholic Church a criminal ọka ewu ya wụrụ na amụghị gị to be a criminal my dear ọsọkwa ụwa ragide gị ahụ ga wụrụ more than wretched my dear you are not a criminal edowe ihe mmadụ you will never touch it a na-amụ ya amụ mgbe ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu na-arụ aka n'ọbara o nwere ihe dị n'ime ya these evil people na-abịa na-achị pollute ọbara anyị they know the merits ọbara nwere hama a na-ekwu na ọbara shirike look ọ na-adị n'ọbara na-awọshi ọ na-apụ onye oshi rugoro Reverend Father ọ ga na-ezu oshi na onye oshi na onweghị ihe ọ na-eri ya na ụmụ ya agụụ na-egbu ha ọ ga na-eme na-ebe akwa agụ ha na-egbu nwee ike were ihe mmadụ nwee ike ịga n'ugbo mmadụ were even ọka a na-amụ ya amụ so until a criminal adị marakwa na mmadụ niile Chineke kere nwere omume na-abọ onye gụrụ egwu kwuru ya onye ọbụla Chikere n'ụwa nwere omume na-abọ omume nke dị njọ na omume nke dị mma mụnwa na onwe nwere omume na-abọ omume nke dị njọ mana mgbe mmadụ megide omume nke dị njọ eteke over ya pụta ihe giving that person second chance you are mara ihe ka nduru ọya ihe Bible si gị mara ihe ka nduru na asị gị gbaghara oke ọkwa Chineke ziri ụmụ Israel si ha jee n'ofu obodo gbuchichi onye ọbụla ndị na-agwa m na asị egbula mmadụ ọkwa Chineke ọkwa anyị gụrụ ya na the same Bible a na ọsị ha gbuchichi onye ọbụla ha ewere ihe ọbụla alata ọnwụ na ha mere ihe a ha mere maybe we won't be where we are today because ọ ndị ahụ fọrọ afọ that fallen angel useless people ọ ha ka na-eproduce and ekwensu ma eproduce fast ụmụ Chineke aga na-arahụ ụra na-akọ nonsense abịa wash ahụ isi ha hapụ ihe dịrị ha na-akọ gọọmenti bịa gọọmenti na-akpọ ndị nke akpọ gọọmenti ndị nke akpọrọ gọọmenti na-epre eti ihu press release mgbe e gburu gị mgbe e mere any bad thing ya etifụtakwa ga na-akpọsi gọọmenti bịa nyere gị aka eledi ama m na ndị a na-agwọ ọgwụ bet my dear ọgwụ nwere ndị ọ na-atụ uche gị bụrụ na ọ na-e before ọgwụ a ga-atụ gị you are more than ọgwụ ma ọ bụrụ na ị ma identity gị you are more than ọgwụ okay mgbe anyị na-eto eto nwere ihe mere na be anyị so na-ekwu ọgwụ this and that. Then I was in primary school. I told my father, I said, oh, na Chineke anyị na-akpọ no Chineke. Say this nonsense will not come to your family. In fact, all I know we get stop this rubbish. I'm saying yes, my daughter. And all I know was stop the rubbish, my dear. God knows what I'm telling you. All I know was stop the rubbish. But then when a man, which and the failed victim, all I know was stop that rubbish. Put stop that. Even the village said it. Nonsense. Gọọmenti kwuru ga bibi zuru jikwanụ je mere ha bata akpụkpọrọ azịza zawa o unu na-emekwa religion there. God did everything anyị chọrọ n'ụwa nọ n'anyị n'aka ha na-edestroy our mgbe ndị Catholic na-agụ egwu na-asị enwere egwu ha na-agụ ha sị ihe niile na-akpụ unu Chukwu na-ahụ maka asị chekwawa ihe Chukwu na kere ogwu ahụ na-agụ gị sị gị ihe niile Chukwu kere gị chekwawa ya na ọ dịrị mmadụ to preserve them. There was a reason for that song. It was when I was growing and nice now when he said, hey, everyone make sense because I hear ni no ni more here. My dear, Chukwu na mezikwara n'ụwa completely before ya what anyị here. But our ignorance here Bible I know ignorance ni our ignorance tiri which ignorance our forefathers had gafa before the fallen angels from Britain abia intrude with their magic wand. Ha bịa da ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu ha bịa ha lefu anya ebe Chineke nọ so ihe nọ n'ime ọhịa dị too much ndị mmanya ọya ihe mere Soludo ji chọwa ndị native chọrọ akpọda ndị native ndị mmanya ndị dibịa onye gwara gị medical doctor wụ gịnị ele ihe onye nyere medical doctor wụ graduation of native doctor if you don't know and the native doctor ahụ nọ n'ụdị otu isi nwee gynecologist nwee nke ụmụaka otu akọ dị n'ebe ahụ o nwere ndị nke nwe akwụkwọ ka ha ji agwọ nwee ndị nke nwe ọgwụ ahụ ka ha na-ahụ nwee ndị nke nwe ọgwụ Chukwu na-agwa ha okwu na ntị but all these things are rubbish anya na-ezuzu but thank God for United States of Biafra ụwa ma onye unu bet unu mara egwu unu na-atụ ụwa especially ndị anyị nọ na be ha ma na-eshi ọbụla conclude this na nke ha gara ma technology and everything anyị ga-arụ unu enwe idea and you will die for this thing I'm telling you unu enweghị idea onye unu wụ ndị unu ma ndị unu wụ so jekwa jee were nụ abata atụtụrụ azawa ha zọba ha alụkwụ na village ọbụla ha tụtụrụ azịza azawa until unu bịaruo ha dowe ogbe ha ahụ unu abịaruo were unu ejele ije na social media unu were egbe ha ahụ mee ihe ha chọrọ iji egbe ahụ eme bilie n'ụra I pray in the name of Chukwu Okike Obiama every spell they have cast on that land to make you people docile I cancel it by the power in the blood of Jesus. What nonsense is this? What rubbish is that? Whether it is in the east, west, south or not, I am standing before the heavens. I cancel it. I decree, awake, every soul that is living in the land of the United States of Biafra, the 40 states. Awake and do what you're supposed to do, that the Lord you serve will be proud of you. You went away by now. You know, na-egbu gị gaa na-akọsị onye na-egbu gị bịa zọọ gị ị na-ahụ a na-agwakwa gị na gị nwa na onwe gị asụsụ gị gwa gị na onye gbara gị egbe a na-aghọ gị mgbọ ebe ọbụla etiri uche unu kpechie ya I am opening it I command thunder to go and bring this uche back to you people. Go there, my dear people. I love you all.
Thank you so much, IJ. God bless you and we really appreciate your submission. Okay, my sister. That is very, very wonderful. Very, very wonderful. Thank you so much. We have our own brother, Oluchiwan God. Please grab the mic, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mazi Kai.
And there was sir.
Yeah, I greet everybody. I'm going to be very, very brief because I greet our sister who just spoke now. I greet Triple M. I greet our sisters who are here. I greet Bro Greg who have just left. I don't know if he's still here. But Kai, the only thing I want to put in here is, since I have come to the knowledge of the power of the first redeclaration, or the first redeclaration, there's redeclaration and declaration. We have had countless of instances of first redeclaration and first declaration and redeclaration. Now, because according to what the law of 21st century, the first people whom have made peaceful redeclaration, my brother, the record can never be raised. Because I saw where in Austria, head of mission, Chief Akbara, where they went to submit documents. I saw, our sister. I saw our sister who went to submit document in Brussels. My brother, these people confirm as much as how many group they want. That money they are looking for, Mazi Kai, nobody, if anybody my brother, go and look at that person. The person her brain. It happened during the time of Obatobi. DOS. They went hungry. Monthly dues, 30 euro. Agụrụ ụfọdụ agachọwazi ihe ha ga-eme. So ha ga-achọzi ihe ha ga-eme, bido chọọ something meme. So this time now that we are, the saving grace of all of us, Akwa, this singular act of Dr. Ngozi Orabeze na Finland, na Latin Mazi. I have said this in your platform before. I challenge Ogenkere. I challenge BGC. I challenge Autopilot. I challenge any group, any of this group, to go to European Union and submit documents. I challenge any of them to go to EU, go to United Nations, go to AU and submit paper. My brother, anybody with a paper there, all the laughable, because to know who you got to prove. Because United States of Biafra, the Mazi, what they did, what they said, who did it? I can't say they would don't know, but them that did the job, what they have done. These documents are now wagging. If the opportunity to read some of these documents are handed to these governments of Europe, and to justice ministry, to immigration, to foreign. Mazika, if you read these documents, can't conclude, but let me tell you, since we are to understanding of the first redeclaration and redeclaration or declaration, rather the first people who does it, who did the word, and no government in this life, whether the poorest country in the world, can never deal with a group. Never. Government deal with government. You can never, no government will call BGC for negotiation. Check every time Dr. Rabele says, I am out for negotiation. I say, and now not to talk. All my you put that thing, because all my, even my DK Potagodi today, because she's working on behalf of these people for United States of Biafra. Onye ga-akpọgo joku na-awụ ya nwa. Ha kpọzie ya, ọ gbazie ha na lete ndị ụga ya. Onye a president, onye a my prime minister, ya ndị dị n'ihe ya na-arụ. Ndị mmadụ amaghị what they are doing to themselves. I saw that our brother, Iman ha close me na ya dị. I wanted to write him today, let me not complicate issues. let me not write him, say, oh, one ne. Eba Hogara, Kai, who's not here? On any hang and you go away, I tell them now, you understand what they talk.
I understand you 100%.
Eba Hogara road no day there. In here, Mazi Van hand is my brother used to know road no go. Now me they tell you, and you get according to your you get why. You get why. No roads. No road. Now me they tell you no road. They are just messing up. They are just looking for who will give them money. This stage, no one go. My 100 men now, no matter how Hamadike. My brother, that you hear hoku. Oh, when honey ne with this shishi. Oh, you know Hamadike put out today. So man, don't want with them here with them. All that will be put to an apotana. Yasu with them one day with them. Dr. Abez still with it. I will move on and found in animals for the 5 million. Are we not here? Oh, then never put it gone. Oh, yeah, that is why they are crying. Ukedian go to our Rebels. What you should do, raise your own and use it for something. Stop asking what Ngozo Rebels is doing with money. Raise your own. We are waiting for you to raise your own. Dr. Rabeso, we in the Kalu. Not the way they bring the money. So why are you asking this question? Okay, your own follow inside. The same thing happening about Obie. Look at we go and Troya. You know about Lamborghini. You know about Rolls Royce. Oh, they are not coeri. Every don't play here now. Ask the mass guy use that platform and ask them to raise their own. How happen can you? They raise their own. Enough of this madness. They should go and raise money. Let them raise money. Raise the gun. Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. God bless you. And we have come to an end of this live broadcast. And to come back again, to continue in a few hours from now, please, if you have not liked the video, and our second platform is on, is active there. So it is on. You can also subscribe to our, for us there. We need your presence in that account. Please, if you have access to that, please subscribe. If you don't and you are looking for that, let me know. I will connect you there. In fact, I have let me display the name in case you want to search for that account on YouTube. All you need to do is to type this on YouTube. Okay, that's all. You just add Truth Desk _001. I am begging you to follow us there. Very, very important. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you again later. Bye bye for now. Day one. Take care.
I am a true born Igbo man. I grew up as a hustler, struggle as an Igbo man to survive as an Igbo man. I got dreams as an Igbo man, become a big businessman. Now I've come so far, I'm now a car manufacturer. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up. Dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. And so I travel as an Igbo man to escape from Nigeria. Walk the desert, cross oceans far away from fatherland. From Europe to America, Asia to Antarctica. Anywhere in Africa, you could find an Igbo man. North Pole Igbo man, South Pole Igbo man. No matter where you look, there must always be an Igbo man. And if you don't find an Igbo man, then you better have another plan. Cause where there is prosperity, you must always find an Igbo man. Just stand up, find a light. Igbo man, rise up high. Keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. In South Africa, Mandela, we cry to Ramaphosa. We're facing xenophobia. This is no hysteria. It's happening in Ghana, land of Kwame Nkrumah. Resented, hated, that's been the life of an Igbo man. Rejected in Nigeria, brutalized in Nigeria, suffered in Nigeria. That's been the life of the Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, we must survive as the Igbo man. I fight as an Igbo man. Igbo man, you strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you, Igbo man. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man, through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sights. Through the struggle, we go on, find a way to carry on. Igbo man, keep on pushing, stay strong. Born as an Igbo man, struggle as an Igbo man, suffered as an Igbo man, we'll make it as an Igbo man. Fight as an Igbo man, must survive as the Igbo man. Igbo man, you are strong as an Igbo man. Igbo man, they can't break you, Igbo man. Igbo man, stay strong. Igbo man. Through the pain and the fight, we stand up, find the light. Igbo man, rise up high, keep your dreams in your sight. Through the struggle,